Kufanisana la ukuthi ke nangabe nilele umuntu osefuna lo nikusho ukukhatlisha njalo njalo. Hey mina nase ngifuna ukulala ngifuna into ezongithinta nje. Ngifuna ukuba ngedwa nje like ngilale nje lala engathi singalala ku double bed nakumele sihlukanise ingubo ulale ngeyakho nami ngilale ngeyami njalo njalo.
Hey nami yami.
Ay ngangifuna into ezongithinta nase kufika ubuthongo nje angisafuna into ezongithinta. So ku sound romantic impela uthi nilale nibambene njalo njalo kodwa nje nase kufika ubuthongo nje mina nje.
Mangabe sibheka impela impilo kwathina sikhule obaba bengekho. Kufuna silikhuluma iqiniso asibazondi kodwa.
And besibabona makuphela inyanga
Exactly.
after 3 months.
Zwana ngami nje mina ubaba ubebuya ngogudi nangokhisimusi ngaphandle futhi mangabe ke eselivini
Noma kushoniwe
noma kushonile
Bebenze njalo.
angazi kodwa empilweni yami ngithi ubaba akanginaki mina angazi ngitshela angazi ubaba
ubazi ukuthi unengane.
bazi unengane iyadla ingane funa igqoke funa all these things but nje inkinga ngayisho namanje nenisayisho
social media
nifuna sibe omama zonke.
Guys bengicela ukubuza la yazi khona iarticle ngibe ngiscrollela nje ku Facebook nje nga interested kulento yokuthi kwelinye lamazwe I guess lase Asia noma kuthiwa nishadile but nilala in separate beds as a couple ne then bese kuba ubaba ke ovakasha ngapha mzuku nakuthiwa yisekamereni elilodwa but empedeni ehlukahlukene bese kuba ubaba ke ovakasha ngapha nje mina ngabe kuthiwa kumele kujatshule into zabantu abadala njalo njalo. So ngabe sengiba interested ukuthi ke na yini ebangela lokho ngathola ukuthi ke na kune kuhlonishwa izinkolo zonke lezo zinto lezo yabona ukuthi akumele nje owesilisa nowesifazane behlezi behlangene ikakhulukazi owesifazane mangabe esenzukweni zakhe zonke lezo zinto lezo. Ngakhumbula ukuthi hayi nathi kaZulu kwakuba njalo ikakhulukazi nje nakathi ubaba usenzuku qamina umama usenzukweni zakhe akamphekeli ubaba kenza ilutho akama-ayineli bla bla bla. So ngabe sengifunda ke nje sengiqhubeka nalento ukuthi in most cases amakhapuli awaye embedeni kanye u70% nje wamacouples awaye embedeni kanye lala lembedeni owodwa wakhe awaye embedeni kanye aya ngekhathi ezahlukene kodwa nangabe kuwesilisa ohambe eqalwa embedeni lo akube nankinga kodwa nako wesifazane ohambe waye embedeni kanye I mean ehambe eqala yena uba nenkinga ukuthi ke na ufuna umyeni wakhe amlandele ukuthi ke na how why kuze kuphele 15 minutes 20 minutes ungangilandelanga ukuze embedeni kanti ithini lento yokuthi ke na masiye embedeni akulala umuntu osefuna ukulala njalo noma nje the fact ukuthi nje umakoti wami usembedeni nami sekumele ngimlandele yini abantu besifazane babe nenkinga nangabe kuthiwa umyeni wakhe akamlandelile nangabe embedeni
Ngoba yini bayaganga ngishiya sengiyisembedeni busy nabanye manje la uyafona uya WhatsApp ya message yini mase sembedeni samthulalana like ngenze ukuthi ngisele nje
is the problem ngempela kuyinkinga
kubesifazane kuyinkinga yes
ukuthi awusela ukuyolala yini so you must sleep mangabe esefuna ukulala yini
yes kodwa wena na uyile embedeni noma ngakulandela ngo11 ebusuku awunandaba wena ulele
imagine ngiyolala ngo8 ngilandela ngo11
you know angazi ngizothini then because I've never angazi ngize ngihlale nomuntu so I don't know what you're talking about
ngitshela
ngiyanizo manish I don't know I've never angazi ngize experience leyo do
ngaphandle mangabe ngazi ukuthi unento oyenza mhlawumbe you're studying wenza nje ubusy like umuntu oma business lezi zinto lezo akuzokushiya nje kwi-couch uhlezi nje awulandeli
mhlawumbe ngi-enjoy igame ye-Liverpool ezophela ngo11 ebusuku so uyakwata ke wena uthi angikulandelini
ngcono nokugame ngiyaku-understand manje ukuthi ngizokushiya ubukela igame but manje uzobuka nje mhlawumbe ngiyazi la ekhaya ukuthi after ake ngithi generations after generations saya esigodweni somsulala then mina sengiyahamba ngiyolala after generation yahlala wena kuphele awalonke usahleli ngathi kahle ukuthi lezo zinto ezilandelayo awuyilandeli noma uyithandi.
So mangabe ngisafuna ukuhlala thothi ngiyazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizumeka late and I don't want ngilo ngiphenduke embedeni. I just wanna be here ngize ngizele angizeli right now. So ngilinde nje ukuthi ngize.
Isho ke at least ukuthi asihlaleni yazi ngizele sihlaleni kancane.
Uyazela wena. Usofuna ukulala.
Angizelele kuweke. Angizelele kuweke ngcono. Angilale la nawe ngelasusu kake samsula. Hayi ukuthi ungiyeke ngihambe ngiyolala.
The problem ukuthi sonke la asiganile. We actually don't know what you're talking about. To be honest, asiganiwe sonke. Asazi sibe sesimeni sokuhlala nomuntu futhi as far as I know. Because mhlambe at least kube khona umuntu ohlala nomunye la full time. Mhlambe leyo nto ngawe uyayazi ukuthi ayenze. But we don't know guys. Mina ngiyaqala ukuzwa lento ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu mangabe sehambile ufune nawe uze.
Ukuyisimpela nje ngithena
uzolala.
Comfortable no kukhona kanye ngamuzwa. Yiko uzothola ukuthi abantu besilisa even ezobuya emsebenzini. Kukhona abadileyayo ukungena endlini mayibuya emsebenzini ntambama. Enze zonke izinto azenzayo abanye baze babe ngisho nama cell phones
ahlala emotweni esikhathi
so ukuthi uqedela ama calls akhe nezancinza zakhe before ezongena la abantu besifazana bathanda ukuthi isikhathi esiningi umuntu mangabe naye achithe isikhathi efonini noma kube nesikhathi nje la angamboni khona uvele emqondweni nakhe abantu kakhulukazi abantu abasuke be-insecure abasuke benza izinto efana lezo uzokuthi ngoba ngikhethe uzokwakhe sure ukhuluma naye
khona ayenzayo.
So would you rather be like ukuthi ngithi ngihleli nawe ngibe ngichofa ifoni noma ngiyenze lento oyishoyo ukuthi mangifika ngemoto ukuhlala emotweni mhlambe ngibe no 30 minutes emotweni yami mangivuma lapha ngisayithinta ifoni sengihleli nje sengibheke wena which one is better?
Ukuthi
because abanye uthola ukuthi uyaphuma kodwa manje ulokho esefonini ulani hleli nifamily kodwa ulokho esefonini even vice versa not just abantu besilisa kuphela even abantu besimama but lokho esefonini nje lokho esefonini niyakhuluma la kuyaphekwa kwenziwani kuyaphakwa but akasuke efonini. So which one is better ukuthi khuluma lezi zinto ofuna ukuyikhuluma before you come and be here because mina at least angithandi mina umuntu ohlezi esefonini ngaso ngesikhathi especially mangazi ukuthi wenzani ngcono at least masazi ukuthi okay khona into ayenzayo efonini emayelana but mayengazi ukuthi wenzani now sila sihleli we having isikhathi sethu and now you are busy in the phone rather hlala la uhlala khona noma usale mase ngiyolala ukhulume lento ekhulumayo but masuze embedeni awuzukuza nefoni embedeni. I don't know, I think that's much better kunokuthi uphoqa umuntu esahleli uthi woze embedeni mayifika embedeni afike eqhubekeke ejethela ke embedeni how you going to feel?
Nesikhathi sanda mama kodwa sokulala nje mase seku late guys amtsolala
nini late ubulate akufani omunye umuntu 9 ulate omunye umuntu 11 ulate nje
ngizokhululeka makukuthi njengoba ngishile eqaleni ngizokhululeka mangithi ngiyazi ukuthi njengokushiye lapha uyasebenza mama uhleli nje uchilile so ngiqalela into
nansenza singabe sisafuna ukuganwa manje sizumele kuthiwe kulalwa ngo9 manje wena uyazi ukuthi ngo9 awulali
usungenabuthongo style
usungenabuthongo usukuyidlalela uyirelaxele manje sekufuneka ukuthi kulalwe ngo9
nako futhi ukuthi uzodelaya emotweni ngizokunothisa ukuthi
exactly
every usubuya la
exactly
uba nesikhathi sokuhlala emotweni usukuhlaleleni
yabona uthi inkinga nje ayipheli
kunenkinga eningi kodwa noma ungakuthi uyakwenza ke kwenze nje yiba namanganyana ke uzovele hlezi kukhona manga ukuthi ngiunderstand ukuthi lokho kwenza mawuzodelay uthi hayi hamba olala ngenza ukuthi yabo engqondweni nami ngizoyitshela ukuthi wenza lokho yabo
nothi ngidlala efonini yami
nokuthi ngiyahamba ngilokuthi hayi yes ayasho umuntu uhlala efonini akungenze kanjalo.
For me if you honestly have something to do efonini sala. That's for me. If there is something that you need to do efonini sala no ukuthi you take the phone to the bedroom.
Uyasala ungasho ukuthi there's something usabhizi ngayo noma just
angithi lento it goes angithi lesi sihamba nokuhamba ekutheni nithembana kangakanani. You understand? Man vele ningathembani that would be an issue. But I don't think man thembana it's an issue kushiya umuntu wakho eyilalele esofeni eyichofela ifoni uhambe yolala because you niyathembana. Maningathembani ke vele mangabe seyikhona ama reasons ukuthi ningathembani. Well, that is maybe can something triggerish. But I don't see mina an issue yokuthi umuntu seniqedeni umndeni senihlalele mhlawumbe nezingane ingane seyelele umama sethi ayingikhathele sengiyolala mina bese mina ngisafuna ukubuka yabo nangisahleli. You understand, for whatever reason ngibe ngiyichofile, there's nothing wrong with that unless vele khona lento yokuthi sekukhona ungathembani for whatever reason.
Cha nami ngisekutheni osefuna ukulala akahamba yolala, ongakafuni ukulala akahlale enze into zakhe na ukuthi khona izinto azenzayo njalo njalo. Angimusa ukuphoqwa ukuthi ngoba nakona usufuna ukulala kuqala nami sekumele ngulandele, noma nami nabe sengihambe ngayolala kuqala nawe sekumele ungilandele. Cha, umuntu akenze like yes siyathandana but ekugcineni kosuku umuntu nomuntu unempilo yakhe lapha phakathi kwethu, so yenza lokhu okuzokwenza nawe ukuthi uzizwe ukhululekile futhi uright. Kufana naleyo kuvuka eksini ukuthi ngoba nako sengivukile nawe sekuphoqelekile ukuthi kumele uvuke la endlini. I don't think kumele ngabe ya-arguishwa leyo nto leyo, but ke kweminye imiziki impela ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi kuze kuvuka indoda kuqala umfazi engavukile bla bla bla. Ngibona ukuthi inkinga nje leyo.
Cha sinayibuka zonke lezo inkinga lezi, yenzani ispace senu ukuthi wonke umuntu abe comfortable la. Ukwazi ukuthi yini engayenza yini engakwazi ukuyenza, like understand nomuntu ozomgana. Ngoba uzogana umuntu ongafuni ngempela ufuna uzingese ngifuna ukubona ulaki kimi. Wangabikho nje kwathi shazi sewenza zonke izinto izinto.
Hey. Kunje these things zithathwa serious kakhulu. Mina for me nje guys ukushada nje. It doesn't mean we must change the way besenza ngakhona sathandana. It just means seshadile mhlambe sesine ma responsibility esihandlisha together nezinto ezenza together. But lokho ukuthandana siyathandana nje. There is no ayike into ethene shintshile. Ngibona ngathi lezi zinto ebuye complicated
kakhulu. Ngoba ngathi manje ngigadile.
Yabo leyo nto. Hayi mina yangizwani leyo naleyo nto.
Kodwa yonke leyo nto leyo iswana sekutheni abantu bengathembani. If umuntu umthemba engahamba usuku bonke mayethe nje ngiyakuphi uzokuzwa lokho futhi trust lokho.
Iqhubeka nje impilo.
Impilo iqhubeka.
Okwakhe ukuthi yena uqamba manga kimi wathi uyakuphi angakwenza lokho. Okwakhe mina ngimthembile ukuthi uyokwenza leyo nto.
Ngeke ngisathenjwana vele. Problem leyo akusathenjwa.
Kodwa ke leyo ukuthi kulala embhedeni umuntu alala embhedeni wakhe nomunye kuhle kwenzeke lokho, kodwa mase sengifuna ukulala embhedeni phela nami angivunyelwe. Hayi kuthi yabo namhlanje mangifuna ukulala embhedeni wakho angihambe ngiyolala khona, ingabe ukuthi isikhathi sikuthi hayi ukuthi singathanda yini noma siyathanda ukulala ndawonye ngaleso sikhathi. Hayi kube nesikhathi ukuthi okay kuzoba nesikhathi esikuthi sekufanele.
Yazi mina ngikhule ugogo nomkhulu belala embhedeni eyahlukahlukene, ngangitshela ukuthi it's a normal thing nje up until ngeze ngiba mdala kwaqala ngiqale ngokuquestion ukuthi why ugogo nomkhulu babelala embhedeni ehlukene. Namanje angikaze ngithola impendulo yakhona.
Kodwa basebebadala ifresh efana nami nje umuntu la lapha embhedeni nami ngilala lapha angisakhishwa nje ngiyalala nje nami ngiyozonyela lapha.
Akukho normal mangabe especially nisebasha abantu abadala we understand, but manisebasha it's fine. Mina what I recommend is to have indlu eseceleni rather than umbhedo eseceleni.
Oh yes,
indlu eseceleni because sonke sasidinga isikhathi sethu nje sisodwa. Nothing personal. Nothing personal. Wonke umuntu uyadinga ukuba yedwa. Some people enjoy isikhathi sabo bebodwa.
Nkosikazi abene yakhe.
No, angithi inkosikazi iyo le.
Lenkulu.
Mina kuphuma mina ngile. Ngishiya wena. Phela indoda ayinandla. Angithi cha manje nishuthi manje ngizofaka intombi ngale ula wena. Then kusho ukuthi ushade nomuntu wrong phela. Yabona ukuthi ushade wrong vele uyeke ukushada. If uthi ushade nomuntu ozothi ngapha endlini enkulu yena ngala befaka intombi kusho ukuthi vele lo mshado into engasebenzi. Into engekho.
Ukuthi ngoba abantu sesibabone benza imanga.
Kusho ukuthi into engekho. Kuthi nje angithi manje ithemba isekho. Kwa ithemba zazenzelwa lokuthi ibuphumula nawe la umama ube nesikhathi sakho ngisengale kwaMasibanibani. So njengamanje uba ke ngasekho uMasibanibani sekukushadwa ngabantu. still sisafuneka leso sikhathi sakho uwedwa still sisafuneka nami esami isikhathi ukuthi away from you yabo so it's basically just that leyo kufaka izancinza ke njengoba ngisho it goes back ekuthembeni nanthembana nithembana ngana
like umuntu lokho uthi usendlini yakhe ekhali
akusho phela ukuthi awungeni wena endlini yami uyeza you can come anytime you understand hayi ukuthi njengoba ngingale nje
sekuyindlela
akungenwa akuvulwa nawe yakho you can come you can but uyazi uma ngabe ngingale ngifuna nje just wanna be with myself for that time it can be a minute it can be ebusuku it can be any time ngiyacaba mina ngokwami because I also like my me time my space ngiyathanda kona ukukhadlishwa ngiyathanda all these things but sometimes yizo zonke izinto ezenza ukuthi ama relationship agcine better lawo ngoba manje nini senihleli inkokosheleni every day yeah anisakhumbulani noma nishadile it's very important ukuthi nikhumbulane nishadile so uzongikhumbula nini mangabe sila every day sila every second sila endlini when do you get time to miss your person because it's very important to miss your person it's part of uthando it's part of a relationship mawungasamkhumbuli awusamthandi so mase ngihlezi ngila yika abanye bethi that's why amalokhuza ama relationship obaba nomkhulu we used to work because obaba will go baye gold bahlale gold 3 months babuye bayakhumbulana and they stayed together saze sangaka sasakhulu awethu sihlala sonke la 24/7 kodwa wa last
hayi
so sonke sihlezi la sibhekana emehlweni isikhatlishana kodwa after 3 years we are done sikhathele siborekile sesifuna ukuthi uyayibona le nto le so ukuyigwema lezo zinto ngoba vele mangabe ulandela kahle history yayivele kuveza lokuthi babengahlali labantu full time ndawonye
yes
indoda yayibuya iphumiyeka masibanibani kube khona leso sikhala nje esikhona iphinde futhi iphuma indoda yoyihlala yodwa ibe nelawulayo nje kodwa ingafuni emfazi bekhona be3 so sakiyeka ke lokho saxhuma leyo ukuthi ke thina sihleli together abantu banokuhlala ku one room bakipite ku one room for 4 years bese beyashada hayi goleyo into le ayiko akekho umuntu ofuna unjalo yena every day bafethu every day ulala nomuntu oyedwa every day hayi mkhumbula nini sikuphi isikhathi la ukhona uthi ulele ebusuku phapha ebusuku ukhumbula umuntu wakho ulele
kufanele nayo ukuthi ke nangabe nilele umuntu usefuna lo nikusho ukukhadlisha njalo hey mina nase ngifuna ukulala ngifuna into ezongithinta nje ngifuna ukuba ngedwa nje like ngilale nje lala engathi singalala ku double bed nakumele sihlukanise ingubo ulale ngeyakho nami ngilale ngeyami njalo
hey nami
ngangifuna into ezongithinta nase kufika ubuthongo nje angisafuna into ezongithinta so ku sound romantic impela uthi nilale nibambene njalo kodwa nje nase kufika ubuthongo nje mina nje angifuna into ezongithinta yes
fanele azi ukuthi shona leyo
hayi mina ngifuna into ezongithinta impela nabe sengifuna ukulala nabe
masulala masulala kanjani
nase ngizomeka
mayeke wazumeka yabo once wazela wafuna ukuzumeka fanele azi umuntu ukuthi uyasuka eduze wakhe so that ezolala peacefully
yes
uyabona
yes yes
I don't know angazi but nama nginomuntu so nginomuntu oba ngimkhumbula so part of umkhadlisha nokulala naye is part of what I enjoy mangisenayo ngenzeni mase futhi ngimnyekile esengekho angabi bikho futhi sengilele ngedwa but maye khona ukhona so I can't ngikwazi ukumjikela esela ngithi usebhekele wena uzubhekele na kodwa
nase ngifuna ukuzomeka abakwethu ngifuna ukuzomeka mina anyway sithoba ukuthi niyaphila welcome to it man this is everyday people show khona la ku 150 Express do not forget to subscribe ukulike bese ujoina ne membership lapha na only R9.99 nje sizokuthokozela kakhulu lokho sicommenteni senzele page ukuthi likhule kakhulu ngalendlela esimangalise igama lami yo perfect akamlotsho ukhona umsuthu wakazungu nonqobile wakabhengu yeah sesikhona niphilile kodwa guys
siphile saka
mina ngiyashiselwa nje ku too much kuningi nje ngicobeke phakathi ethambeni angazi lani phakathi emqantshini but ke ijob wendo. Okay guys, bahlukene phakathi abantu baseningizimu Afrika kakhulukazi the spaza owners noma the tuck shop owners mayelana nenkulumo kaBaba umengameli wakuleli umnumzana uRamaphosa ngenkulumo ayenze I think beku Friday noma Saturday but nje le weekend esuka kuyona yokuthi ke na uhulumeni waseningizimu Afrika ubanikeza u21 days ukuthi ba re-register ama-spaza shops abo laba sebe-registile vele bese uthi laba bangaka-register nabo futhi kulo 21 days nabo bayanikezwa ithuba lokuthi beze bazo-register. Manje-ke abanikazi betolo bakhala ngokuthi sincane kakhulu lesikhathi abanikezwa sona u21 days because number 1 abazi ukuthi mapha ama-documents okumele bawaphathe. Secondly abazi ukuthi bazophuma babhikiphi nje ngoba ama-building amasipala maningi khona o-LED khona banibani so abazi ukuthi kwenziwe njani. So uthini umbono wenu nina about i-speech sika mengameli sange weekend endabeni ethinta ama-spaza shop?
Well, I think they're just whining. Which isikhathi esincane for that. 21 days is a very long time.
That's 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Almost a month.
Almost inyanga. So you can't say ukuthi kulo 3 weeks you can't find ukuthi mapha building amasipala kumele uye ku you don't know ukuthi kumele uphathe. Exactly, I understand. So if that's what they are complaining about, they are complaining for nothing. Hamba amasipala wena and ufika ukuthi ngizoregister ispaza sami mawuthi kuya register ispaza sakho then mawuthi se building e wrong bazothi okay i building e right le no masipala ngicabanga ukuthi responsibility yabo to actually say guys abantu bazo register ama spaza shops, this is where they are going, this is where they are going, so it's just an excuse. 21 days
nanokuthi engifuna ukuthola la uya register uqala kabusha phansi
yeah noma kuthiwa uregistile noma kuthiwa uregistanga nje zonke.
So how come abantu abaregistile bengazi ukuthi ba-register beqaleni?
No, are they registered already?
Qala
ikhona lo hlelo komasipala ukuthi i-spaza shops register already. I don't think so guys.
Oh noma laba bala edrobheni kuphela.
Hayi
Laba sema kitchen bona nginesho ukuthi ba registered laba.
Yeah, because phela laba ngithi banikezwa lezi zinto abanikezwa zona lezi abasebenzela kuzona.
Yes.
That's how they get registered.
Yes.
But for someone oyivulele ispaza ezakheni.
Oh.
But those people baba you part of ama programs eyenziwa nabo LED yabo sitha usho ukuthi bona abekho under bona.
Like what programs?
Like lokufundiswa kwama business abantu beyiphaza ukuthi bayamenywa abanye for funding amasiphaza. Yes, khona even ama funding amasiphaza shops asemalokishini asemakhaya. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi baba yi part of those small business.
So they bakhona kwi database kamasipala. Then what's the problem? Hamba ka LED. If that's where you registered or wherever.
Now khona ngithi wakhumbula ngesikhathi mabe invade itolo zabo bafike befuna amaphepha bebezofuna kanjani if
no amaphepha I think amaphepha bafuna akusibona CIPC whether they are registered with CIPC. Those are the papers they want. Yeah, because I don't think cishe ngasho igama lo my friend. I don't think ba registered go masipala my friend.
Oh.
So why
laba bala e South Africa ba registered because they bathole funding none. That's another thing. But my friend, they don't get funding from masipala. So I don't think they are registered in somehow. If they registered, ba registered ku CIPC as businesses. Not as would ba register kamasipala.
Yes. Nanokuthi ngiyacabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi enye into bona laba ba registile mhlawumbe isitolo esami ngingumlotshwa bese ngisinika umuntu wase Somalia yabona intathi linafika zizokhuluma nalo wase Somalia athi akazi ukuthi uzo register. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe enye challenge ababhekene nayo leyo ukuthi njoba bekushundunankulu kwi-meeting la bebenayo Friday ukuthi ke na noma kuthiwa bazama kangakanani ukulwa nalento undunankulu wase KZN inkinga ukuthi izitolo zi-ownwa abanye abantu kodwa na uthi yafika kuso futhi khona omunye umuntu phakathi ngenxa ukuthi siqashise ngazo njalo
people who registered abantu bala South Africa.
Yes.
Aba register ama spaza shops abo.
Yes.
So base baqhashisa abantu bokufika.
Yes.
okay ake sikuyenziwa ke konke lo register how does it help linking esibhekene nayo le thing
True.
because
Nayo
unga register but
asidle mosamaphepha sidlukula
exactly unga register and still sell ukudla okubolile uzu register njalo akuyi solve linking esinayo
ensukwini nje sinomagolide besifuna uflower kuzo zonke iphaze khona lokushini zonke sofica uexpireile kuzo zonke I mean zonke sofica
so
uexpire
ukuregister amasipala ke kuzokwenza lo flower ungabiza expire
uyabona
because we expire flower so ngimzwile nje khuluma I'm like this guy is not solving the problem
kanti guys baphe abantu abacabangayo like nje asinabo abantu abacabangayo bakwazi ukuhlala nomongameli babheke
laba kuthiwa ama advisor kaMengameli
abafuni you know
inkinga ikuphi so that sezothi mayezokhuluma nathi kube bayazi ukuthi ikuphi inkinga
you know the problem is kuhulumeni to actually take ama steps abonakalayo ilabo human rights commission you understand because in the human rights board yomhlaba when uhulumeni take ama decisions acisha fana lawo eswashoyo ukuthi ba decide ukuthi bayivala iphaza zabo
yes
the human rights commission in South Africa will report uhulumeni wa South Africa to the human rights board United Nations ukuthi this is happening here and is violating ama right alabantu okhwela understand so somehow I feel inkinga kahulumeni to actually take ama steps are bold because of those things
so kusho khona ukuthi ukuba yi part of those boards lawo enza ukuthi thina impilo zethu zibe sengcupheni
yeah it comes back actually the people who can actually stop this abantu understand because uma ngaba abantu basezakheni bethi la kule strata sifuna isiphaza shop akho human rights commission ezokugijima ifike lapho kuzovalwa leso siphaza shop nabe strata esilandelayo nabe strata esilandelayo this how we fight this thing awuyilwisi ngohulumeni ngoba uhulumeni uboshiwe uyipart of umhlaba and unama agreements anawo nomhlaba so nina you decide elokishini or emakhaya ukuthi la etholeni thina izitolo zo my friend asayifuni nimtshele futhi kahle nje ukuthi my friend une 21 days to pack your bags and leave yeah that's how it ends because masilo sithi uhulumeni ayikho ngempela into azoyenza njengoba ngisho ngikhuluma human rights commission bahleli bathe yabona bokusakhala thina siwumphakathi sibaxosha abake basho but as soon as uhulumeni ethi you have 21 days you have to pack your bags and leave human rights commission comes in uzubonela ama human rights commissions ukuthi abhedanya because kufika ingane they are not saying
basho bathule bathethu
so it's very tricky kodwa indlela yokuyistopa yonke lento ikuthina abantu because we are the ones who are buying we are the ones esihlala nabo yes we are the ones esenza
esibaqashisela izitolo
futhi so the power is with us thina abantu kahle uhulumeni unento zakhe uhulumeni nama agreements akhe ngisho futhi ukuthi if singathi thina hambana ikhona indawo ade ngibuka nje enye video ko eGoli la cishe kwashona khona ingane they decided ukuthi abasawafuna ama container and they living
kwezinye indawo lapho abangena
yeah bakwezinye indawo laba ngenankinga khona because ikhona ingenankinga until kwenzeke inkinga khona so ipower kahle of solving this thing ikuthini futhi ayinzima lento
ukuthi nje
ayinzima lokishi no my friend aba u10 noma aba u12 akusiyo inkinga ukutshela my friend ukuthi my friend asinankinga nawe sinankinga nje nalesiphaza shop sakho ayikuphi phela
njengala ngihlala khona nje mina wathi uyayibeka nje container kwathi wacha
you see how you solve the problem phela
kodwa ithi ngekho lani khona nihambe nekwezinye
le phezulu siyofuna khona
so 500 million one umongameli athe uzophuma guys South Africa shows sinayo imali uyazimani ayishido
nonemali ayishilo lapha
ichase ama shops
aphethwa abantu bala eSouth Africa
oh okay
yes
manje bahlaleleni bebehlaleleni sonke isikhathi bengabaxhasi abantu beSouth Africa because ngiyabonakala ukuthi inkinga yabo ukuba nemali noma this supply chain yabo abakwazi ukuthi bayisebenzise njengalabo bokufika bebehlaleleni bengabenzi leyo nto leyo sekuno 500 million nje ozophuma manje
the thing is manje ngazi umhulumeni akazi ukuthi hayi ukuthi inkinga ukuthi asinamali inokuqala iphaza shop sinayo we just can't run them. We can siyakwazi phela singawakho umkhukhu usuqongothela ume. I-problem is to
ihlale futhi every day.
yeah, i-problem ukuthi irane leyo lokuza for 6 months. That's the problem.
Ngeke, true.
Ukunginike nganginika uxhaso. It's fine.
Ngelibhubhudle futhi
Yeah,
njengabasengadini.
But the problem education here.
Inkingi le ye
Problem education.
supply chain,
Yeah.
business
Yeah, ukuthi
management.
yeah, ukuthi bona benza kanjani. How do they do these things? How they
Kodwa
sustain?
kanjani?
Yeah.
Ngidayisa kanjani?
Mase ngidayisile
Kanjani
i-profit
imali?
ngicalculate kanjani and all these things. Because izinto esingayi understand lezo.
True.
Usinike imali will not solve any problem. Sizoyidla thi.
And thina sifuna mayizo uyabona nje leyo ukuthi ngiyothe ngichips ka 50 cent ayibe ku my friend ayihlanganise asifuni leyo sifuna nje
Thatha kude leyo.
abanye ngoba bezoyikhipha
Sifuna
sobe
leyo.
sigcwele kuma internet cafes sigcwele eminyangweni le sizofuna lezo beyisamba ungene 500,000 aha
Phelele lapho futhi ume nje umkhukhu 6 weeks emva lokho.
Hayi na ubhulela umlilo nje uhulumeni because he can.
and yazi uhulumeni usesibone kahle South Africa ukuthi seyithanda imali yabo le nje yeyiphaza kwathiwa
Yebo.
bazonikezelwa imali kumanje khona nje uthi ingangiphuthi
Khona ungenama ambitions okuvula isiphaza. But
Kodwa
uzohamba yo
uzosivula.
register nyama. Yabo ukuthi register iphaza. Uzohamba si register enzele ukuthi mase kubheka ukuthi obani kwi database amasipala abakhona abaneziphaza. Ngitholakale nami ukuthi hawu nomsuthu nami ngikhona. No ambitions.
Bese uya-
Ayitholi
apply,
funding.
Khona engicishe
Bese-
ngamosha kodwa siqhubekeni.
benze njalo nje kusuke ngasikhona uthando vele bazothola abaningi base South Africa umbuzo bazokwazi ukwenza lelo business
Akasolve iproblem lapho uyayibhebhezela problem because the end of the day sizoyidla le mali siphinde siqale phansi futhi
Phuyele
sibuyele
back
ko my
eGibhithe.
friend.
Yo. Kulungile. Ngeweekend futhi bekade kunomgubho omkhulu lapha emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Angikwazi ukubiza igama la leya ndawo bakithi ningixolele la bekugujwa khona ke uMiss Universe ka2024 la sibone khona ke intokazi yase Denmark lapha yana ke itheswa uVictoria etheswa ke lapha yana ke iziqhu zokuba uMiss Universe ka2024 sabona ke uChidima awumadoda akekho umuntu odume njengoChidima emhlabeni wonke jikelele sabona uChidima eba i-runner up nentokazi yase Mexico ke yona ke ebe unumber 3 so ngibona abantu base South Africa ke khona uGuy wase Nigeria angimazi noma uyi-celebrity noma uyini because ngibone kwi-account yakhe kunalo ya blue tick lo oba lapha ya ephezulu ethi ke na babongela uChidima noma iSouth Africa bezama ukumcindezela kodwa uChidima kwakwazi ukuthi abe runner up njalo njalo hayi ke namngenela nema South African man uGuy namtshele zikabhoqo njalo njalo so nicabangani guys go Miss Universe ka 2024
Miss Universe
Miss Universe
ku right lo khethe ngendlela ekhethwe ngakhona ku right but mina bengifisa ngathi uChidima guys uphendule kamnandi indlela abephendula ngakhona ama questions akhe mina angigculisile kunalo owase
Owinile.
kodwa ngaphinde ngacabanga ukuthi mhlambe nabo benzela ukuthi bengande kubelandelwa izinkulumo eziningi because uChidima yabo unentinja kodwa ke muhle ngikodwa esingakusho Chidima
You know if this thing was fair.
yeah
If this thing was fair, every year ngabe kuwina an African lady kulezi shows.
true
They are all beautiful. Did you see what's Zimbabwe?
hey
mabantwana
ngibona izithombe nje ngilibona ngake igama lakhe ngibona izithombe nje
Yabo if these things were fair. Nanokuthi lento sasisho ukuthi ubuhle according to who.
yes
Understand because sometimes thina sibuka ubuhle ngendlela esibuka ngayo. Laba abangumele bajudge.
Babuka
ubuhle
ngendlela.
ngendlela ababuka. For me nje bakutshela every year an African should win that competition because I don't think ukuthi there is anyone emhlabeni who has abantu abahle more than African people.
true
Beautiful.
yo
she's gorgeous
So nje uChidima should have won this one. Mase sikhuluma kahle iqiniso.
iqiniso
bengekho i-catwalk yakhe bengekho
Mnandi.
bengapholishekile ngalendlela abanye bebehamba ngayo
No.
but
It's because she left South Africa. Phela la iwalk yala eSouth Africa mfethu.
ayifani
Ayifani.
neyaseNigeria
Kube manje she stayed here.
yini nje nathi nje
but still ulaphe khona ngemfundiso zenu.
yeah
Yonke into ayithola ngiyezwa ama Nigerians uchidima yonke into even ubuhlakani ukuba yonke into
She doesn't even speak the language.
uyithi ulapha yana nje ngokuthina
Ngobu-South Africa.
kubona uye kubo ngoba sebemzwela ukuthi ozala and then uthola chance ukuthi ekwazi ukuba lapha but everything nje yes South Africa.
Now bazamile man, when was the last time they were top 3? I don't know how many years.
And futhi I doubt ukuthi kuba ubevele ecompetele ehlala khona ubengafika kulesi sigaba kusona.
Yeah, true.
Lokho ngidoubt.
But anyway, shout out to Sambongela Uchidima.
Yeah.
Well deserved.
Waphinde waba Miss Africa Universe and Ocean.
Yeah. So it's good. It's good. I feel like kumela win though. I feel like kumela. If it was fair, mhlambe ke no they nama details akhona.
But konke engikushoyo ukuthi bekufanele ngicabanga ukuthi bona abasabe the organization isabe mhlawumbe izinto eziningi
landela Uchidima.
Like what happened to Miss South Africa uMaya?
Uyakhumbula ukuthi unenkinga vele yokuzwa disable. Ngicabanga ukuthi kunezimo ahlangabezana ngoba kuyi statement abashilo bakhale ngempilo nje.
Kusho mhlambe bengena mhlambe insiza zokuthi akwazi uku-adapta with
isimo akuso ngalesa sikhathi.
Indawo lapha mhlambe bebengekho abantu abazomxolikela.
Oh, I get you.
Ngiyacabangela abazange babe.
But who to blame there? Do we blame Miss Universe or we blame South Africa? Because I feel like if Tina ekwazile ukuwina South Africa, I think mele sizama yonke indlela to actually provide support ukuthi noma eselapha angakufeel ukuthi because ngisho ukuthi la South Africa she didn't feel that. You understand? So mayifika lapha vele obviously abam expectile because akusuyena umiss wabo. You understand? Tina siyazi ukuthi this is what she needs, this is what she needs, this is what she needs. Because because yes, because ngiyazi ukuthi lapha kuya rehearsal, there are a lot of rehearsals and mhlambe sometimes there was miscommunication, mhlambe waba overwhelmed somehow. I do feel like South Africa now should have invested more ekutheni athole support right, even more time if dinga ukuthi athole isikhathi esithe xaxa for ama rehearsals, athole isikhathi esithe xaxa for ama rehearsals. I feel like that's how abe overwhelmed ngakhona.
Enye into mina engididile ukuthi uhambe uMaya sonke lesikhathi useMexico kodwa pull out ngosuku sekusebusuku kodwa.
Yeah, that's the thing. I feel like bengakhophi maybe with the but anyway, Tina, what I like about us South Africans ukuthi we start things. I don't think ukuthi kwenzeka before umuntu who's actually deaf was there.
True.
But we actually send someone who was deaf. That is us. That is groundbreaking. Exactly. So they must learn for next time ukuthi they must create a space as safe and a space as favorable for abantu who, because next time ngayo umuntu ongaboni emehlweni, they must create that space be Miss Universe to have umuntu onaleyo lokhuzana onaleyo disability leyo. That's very important. So in South Africa has started something. For me that's good. As much as angasakhonanga ukukhompyutha, but kusenda a very good message to the world.
Next time.
Beside that ke muhle nayo sis.
Yeah,
beside that
she's beautiful. She's beautiful. Nanokuthi uyakwazi nokukhuluma lokhuzana the nguni languages like nje.
Ubani?
uMaya
nge-sign language.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Angithi bengingazi nokuthi ihlukeneke nayo ukuthi khona the nguni one khona the African one.
Hlukene kanjani because le nto you using ama alphabet?
I don't know, but nje uthena ichaza nje leya sesebe ngemlalelo khosini wathi she can speak even the nguni languages
because ama-sign if mhlambe ngenza iphutha but ama-sign mangabe ku-L ku-O kubani it's the same thing noma ungaya kwinguni noma ungaya kwisixhosa noma ungaya kwisixhosa esinguni noma ungaya kwisisuthu noma it's the same thing. So I don't know where it is nguni languages
kodwa mhlawumbe bona banendlela abayichaza ngayo esingayazi thina njalo. Okay, what is on your mind weMangcolosi?
Ngoba bangithi guys.
Yeah.
Anibalekile ingathini. Niyazondla.
Hey, we trying
Diye baba umntwana.
Mina engikwaziyo ezami nje bakukho isimuzi uzobe egqoka impahla ethengwe yimi.
Hayi cha nama.
That's all I can tell you.
ukuzondla kona
ukondla guys yini ukondla because ukondla is to make sure ukuthi umuntu udlile every
day
I don't think ngiyafika kuleyo level yokuthi ngenze sure ukuthi udlile every day I feel like uwondli noma ngakuthiwani I feel like noma ngenzani angeke umondla umuntu ungahlali naye you can contribute that's what I do I contribute but ukondla kusebazalini ahleli nabo ngaleso sikhathi wethu ugogo nomkhulu nanani who are abama overseer leyo household so angeke ngime etsheni ngithi ngiyondla I'm contributing ekutheni umntwana
nasoyibeka kanjalo ke kusho ukuthi yes nasoyibeka kanjalo ke kusho ukuthi nami ngilapho ke kulowo mzila
yeah you contributing because ukondla guys is something else ukondla ukuphakela umuntu every day we definitely not doing that noma singayifaka imali but umphakela ukumondla kumuntu lokho you can contribute that's why ngakholelwa endabeni yo single mother nana you cannot be single mother ngakushiya ubaba wengane yakho but you still have other people no beside to contribute there are other people even noma ngasikona ubaba wengane abakusizayo to raise this kid so you're not a single mother kono malume kono gogo kono mkhulu kono everyone so it's just a status yokuthini it doesn't exist especially kithi it doesn't exist a single mother is a person ohleli nengane yakhe yedwa ebheke yena yedwa but mawuhlala ekhaya kunomkhulu kunogogo kunomalume kunomama mncane kunobani you are not a single mother
bonke baya contribute
yeah they're doing something wesi umuntu athi uyi-single mother ngibe ngicontributor ngoba kukunje sihlukene kuphela ukunje sihlukene kuphela ukukhulisa ingane takes a lot guys it's not just ukuthi umkhulisa umshintshe inabukini finances also is part of ukukhulisa ingane so you cannot say contributor every month ungitshela ukuthi I'm a proud single mother so what do you say about me
not together
you are single I a single mother you are single just end there because now I'm doing something sometimes ngiyamthatha umntwana ngama weekend ngihambe naye yeah
I'm single because
you are single not single mother
single like relationship wise
relationship wise manje labo bavele bathi I'm a single mother usingle relationship
ngitshela ukuthi umother ungenaphi ukuthi manje single njengoba ngisingle ngena ngani ngisingle mase sengiyinengane sengumama ngithi usingile
hayi
usingile that's be single hayi do single mother umalume wakho laba abathengisa kale mpuphu ekhaya lengane edlayo keep your mother
ube single
ba single
but ngumama
uba umama wakho has nothing to do with ukuba single kwakho you just single because you don't have a boyfriend it has nothing to do with ingane yakho
kwaleyo boyfriend ke ubaba ingane yami
ufika kwe boyfriend uzoyenzani ingane
ngizobe sengiba no
laba bathi ba ama single mother contributor every month
yes true
contributor every month uthengela ingane every makungena ubusika ungena ihlobo athi umuntu I'm a single mother
kodwa kuyicathulo wokuqala ofonelwayo
kusho ukuthi lento mina engiyenzayo ingane mayigula kufonelwayo kodwa single mother
yes
proud single mother ku social media kodwa mayigula ingane ufonela wena as ubaba fune mangathi mina ngisingle father
uyisingle father
hayi kuleyo nto bafethu sesingasho nje phela ngoba sekumnandi ukusho kodwa ayikho leyo noma akuthi ubaba wengane akayondli you still not a single mother there are people who are helping you mothering this child there are people there is your friend there is your brother there is your sister who's helping you mothering kona abantu bawo single mother abangayikhulisa sidala ingane
angahlali nanayo le university ingane nogogo la kodwa
uthame single mother wena you're not even a mother maybe
kodwa ke into yamezibuyela la bengifuna ukunibuza guys ukuthi yini esuke yenza abantu besilisa ikakhulukazi nje manje angazi noma lento yayenzeka kudala kuloko kuthiwa ama deadbeats ubaba wengane akekho empilweni yengane yami guys ngiswenixoshwa yini empilweni zeingane ngibone nje enye episode kakhumbule ekhaya ubaba ngathi wathola ingane nomunye umama nentombazane yamishiya kanjalo ingane sizikhulile ingane bonakala ine-attitude enzima kabi towards ubaba wakhe ukuthi kusho ukuthi bengekho empilweni yakhe ngalesikhathi uthi hawu suwakhula ngakwazi waba muhle yabo yonke leyo nto leyo ingane nje ayingeni ngiyabuza la ukuthi ekahle abantu besilisa yini esuke yenza ukuthi uyangazi ukuthi ngisebenza kuphi nengane nawe noma kuthiwa sisazwana but nje wena yini esiyenza ukuthi ungasabuyi uzobheka la ngangisebenza khona mhlambe trying ukuthi uthole ingane ngoba ubaba lo uzowabuza ukuthi umama wakho usasebenza usho esinye isikole wathi yes usalapho but lo baba ingane esizindaba mhlambe no 15 njengamanje akakazi asayibheka but uyazi ukuthi wayishiya kuphi umama wamshiya kuphi why guys abantu besisayini ibahambisa kangaka
iqiniso wenqolo lithi akhona amadoda angenandaba like not even amadoda kuphela abantu abangenandaba emhlabeni ukuthi kwenzakalani ngikhumbula nje khona enye episode engangayibuka nje omunye ubafo odumile uthi yena wayazi ukuthi na uthola ingane nje wayithatha wayisa gogo kuphelile nje ukuthi sekumele lokhuze kulandelela ukuthi iyaphila yini ufonile namhlanje kwasha wacima vutha lele akana nkinga nje bakhona abantu nje phela nje uthola ukuthi akanandaba uyazi futhi proud futhi ukuthi nginengane ehlala endaweni nokuthi kodwa akanandaba nje akazi nokuthi lidume phi njalo so hayi ukuthi ngoba nako eyizonde ingane noma ngabe njani cha uyazi ukuthi nginengane kuphi but nje sohlangana nje lesihlangana khona bakhona abantu abangenandaba
so nakucabanga lokho ukuthi kwenza umonalo ngana nenganeni ukuthi wena awukho empilweni yakhe
nanokuthi ke na futhi mhlambe esinye izathu uthola ukuthi mina nawe sinomntwana but asisathandana wena lesikhathi ikhulu ingane lokho eluyitshela ukuthi ubabakho yinja ubabakho this ubabakho that ubabakho nje na ubabakho wathandana nomnganami lapho uthola ukuthi ingane ibingenayo inkinga nami but ngenxa yezitori osuwutshela zona wena isiyaqala iba nenzondo eyakhekayo kuyo ngenxa ukuthi wena mhlambe ubitha or something ukuthi ke na ngangingekho empilweni yakho lesikhathi udinga ukuthi ngibe khona for umntwana zonke insuku
don't you think ukuthi fanele uze okay uzongishiya ingane mhlawumbe iminyaka emibili emithathu noma ngingayitshela mina ezumama but wena uyazi ukuthi wayishiya kuphi lokho ukuqhamuka kwakho mhlawumbe isikhulile ingane uyazi ukuthi izokubona noma kuthiwa khona ithuba kwakho lo ukuzama like uhambe nje kube ngathi awugaze wenze lutho uhambe like hamba
hayi kunzima but nje ikhona emezenjalo I mean bakhona abantu besilisa abanjalo abangayingenje futhi abanganandaba until ingane yakhe izishade noma ibe njani angabe nandaba nje angabe nandaba angabe nankinga bakhona
the thing is lento le bafethu yasifuna si understand lento yo baba wengane labe siyibo njengamanje yintsha yazi uthi ngithi intsha
yeah
dala wonke umuntu bezala umshadweni
true
yabo so yintsha lento abanye abantu abazi ukuthi ufune ba navigate kanjani kuyona you understand because omunye will tell you ukuthi doesn't make a difference ukuthi ingane yami ngiyibone kanye inyanga nokuthi ngayibona isitala if kuyenza umehluko kwenza muphi umehluko enganeni
yeah
once a month yabo that's why I'm saying it's new and intsha nje kunema standards noma kunezinto esesizisethile thina noma esesethwa abantu ngendlela yabo esingayazi noma iyona indlela eright noma iyona indlela eright yokwenza izinto yayizwe into engisho
yeah
le yokuthi ingane fune uyibone yabo mawubaba wengane unengane fune hamba lokhu uyibona hamba lokhu uyibona akuyona indlela natural yokwenza izinto into entsha esiqale ngoba sekunalezi zimo esibhekene nazo manje and we are thinking ukuthi iyona indlela eright yokwenza izinto leyo okungasho ukuthi indlela eright angisho ukuthi ku wrong that's why I'm saying ukuthi kwenza iphi impact enganeni
at least woza nje uzobona ingane yakho
exactly
kanye ngenyanga uyiphathele isweet
so does it do anything enganeni na lo noma cha
omunye umuntu uzothi it does because uyakwazi njengoba bakhe khona lento le bond eyakhekayo phakathi kwakho
once a month
nomntakazi wakho I don't know
there's a bond you can create once a month
I don't know but abuye ubuda ngasho njalo
hello once a month
hamba na yiba nentombi oyibona once a month ubone ukuthi nizoba ne bond iyeke ingane yakho yiba nentombi ukuthi you can create a bond angisho ukuthi ku wrong but I'm just saying trying to say ezinye izinto sikhanda thina manje ngoba sizama ukunavigate impilo esinje isimo esesikusona. It doesn't mean ukuthi ku right, it doesn't mean ukuthi ku wrong.
Nanokuthi wemsuthu uselapho okuphi umehluko kimi engizayo enganeni yami once a month kunawe osegoli uganiwe unezingane ekhaya but osegoli ubuye ekhaya iweekend eyodwa every mhlambe after 3 months or so. Yabona ukhona nomehluko kwindlela esiwobaba ngayo kulengane kulezi ingane zethu.
That's a good question.
Yabona
ukuthi okay angikho, it's not by choice.
Usemsebenzini
Because ngiyasebenza.
yes
Ne? So angiyiboni ngane yami for 3 months.
yes
That is not my choice.
noma ubuyile
So-
ubuya nje weekend
Yeah, so manje kuhlukana kanjani nalo uthi
ihlukana kanje lento guys yabo wena awukho usemsebenzini kodwa the chance oyitholayo noma ithi incane kangakanani you go emntwaneni.
yeah.
Mase kuba khona leyo ukuthi wena awuziklanyi nje nanokuthi ingane ikwazi nanokuthi ubani wabo kanjani. Umehluko ulapha ekutheni wena
Yeah, no ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi enganeni kwenzani enganeni lokho esikhuluma ngakho ikupho ingane kuyi-affecta kanjani ekutheni ingangiboni for 3 months ngisemsebenzini noma ingangiboni for 3 months because I'm a deadbeat father. Does it affect ingane differently na?
kuyi-affecta ngokuhlukile mfethu. Cabanga ukuthi ingane yakho njengoba usemsebenzini angithi noma njengoba uyibona kanye akusho ukuthi ingane awunayo i-communication nayo. Mhlawumbe uzoyifonela uzokwenza ini iyazi ukuthi ubaba ukhona noma kuthi uyicele ini hayi ukuthi uzocela njalo noma kuthi uyicela ini iyazi ukuthi manje ngicela kubaba uzozama na kanjani uzomtholela. Kunalokho okwenziwa abafowethu umuntu nje ingane ayazi ukuthi izomthola phi akaziwa akatholakali ingane nje ukuthi yona ingane zonke la ekhaya kuthiwa icele kobabazo ayinababa ozocela. Kona akukho right ukuthi ingane ingamboni umzali wayo vele ifanele ukuthi kube nesikhathi impela nje si right ukuthi umuntu ambone ukuze kuzokhandeka leyo bond leyo. Kodwa kuba ngcono mayevela ahambe mhlambe noma uzothi mayesele understand ukuthi why ubaba wakho engezi.
No, I get your point. Ngiyalizwa iphuzu lakho. Yazi why ngiraise this point. I-majority yethu sikhuliswa obaba besemagoli. Understand?
true
Sibabona ngoKhisimusi, sibabone ngoGudi. Only 2 times. Understand? Noma ebuyile uyazi ukuthi ubaba wakho akusumngani wakho. Yabo? Uyafika but ngiyakuzwa lento usho iliphuzo lisho ukuthi at least uyazi ukuthi mawufuna something mawufuna icathulo uyayithola mawufuna ilokhuzo uyayilokhuza. Ngiyakuzwa lokho ngiyaunderstand futhi ukuthi it's wrong to be a deadbeat father like you just gone like awubamba amafoni. That's totally wrong. But mina le yokuyibona nokuyivakashela ngeke ngibone ngathi this is no longer about ingane sometimes. Nokufeel ukuthi khona lento yokuthi lo ufuna about usisi for different reasons. Omunye ufuna ukuthi uzobona yena, omunye ufuna ukubona mhlawumbe abangani bakho ukuthi ubaba walengane uyeza uzoyibona. There is more to that than just lezo.
kune competition
Yeah, kunento ekhona ihambe kanje. Ngiyakubona lokho kushoyo lokho deadbeat ukuthi umuntu avale ifone athi afune nothing to do with ingane yakhe.
Ingane igcine sekwaziwa igama nje
Ehhe.
ubaba wakho usiyabonga mlotshwa.
Yebo.
Yazi lokho nje.
Le overrated le yokuthi ingane efune every week mina kumele ngize ngizobona ingane. Nah, I don't believe in that.
neze nisho nifake ku
Nah, I
status
don't believe in that.
nango phethe
You
umntana
can still be a father ingane zakho zikwazi zikuthande because ziyazi they can actually call you anytime whenever zikudinga and they get you anytime. It doesn't mean you have to come every week or every day uzobona ingane.
Iyona ke leyo nto leyo efanele ukuthi senziwe abantu besilisa. Like ubahluleka ukuthi benze lokho. Nami ngiye ngathi yabona lento yesimanje manje ukuthi kuyakooperatwa manje sifanele
kumele sihambe singane epark
Hayi
lapho ushadile kumele sihambe
kufanele unkosikazi understand ukuthi wena uzohamba nobaby
Hayi.
because
ezinye izinto nje sifuna ukuzenza ngoba ziyismodern but mangabe sibheka impela impilo kwathina sikhule obaba bengekho. Funa zilikhuluma iqiniso asibazondi kodwa.
and besibabona makuphela inyanga
Exactly.
after 3 months.
Zwana ngami nje
Ukuthi ngoba
mina.
besazi ukuthi ubaba-
Mina ubaba bebuya ngoGudi nangokhisimusi ngaphandle futhi mangabe ke eselivini
noma kushoniwe
noma kushonile
bebenze njalo
angazi kodwa empilweni yami ngithi ubaba akanginaki mina angazi ngitshela angazi ubaba
ubazi ukuthi unengane
bazi unengane iyadla ingane funeka igqoke funeka all these things but nje inkinga ngayisho namanje nenisayisho
social media
ngifuna sibe omama sonke ngifuna ukuthi nami ngibe umama nawe ube umama ingane mayikhala la ngiyithathe nawe uyithathe ngifuna lokho
kanti wena babakhe
it doesn't work
no be present enganeni yakho ingane yakho ayingasweli unakho
that's what nami ngiyakusupporta
like khona nje intombazane evelela isiyakhala ku social media ithi I know with this person uyahlonishwa abantu baya
now that is wrong
mina kodwa mangimfune ingane yami ingagula kanjani ngingasola kanjani
that is wrong
mama mesaphila bengenankinga but then now akusenalutho
now that is wrong but leyo ukuthi every week mina ngifuna ngize ngizodlalisa ingane every week hayi mina bafethu angisho angisho
like ingane yazi kunjani
it's right it's okay but mangizuphoqa ukuthi mina ngizobona ingane every week ingane mawumele iye clinic isho ukuthi kufuneka imali ye clinic ngizokufakela imali ye clinic mangiza ngizoyibona ingane siyibonile ingane siyenze lokho esikwenza ngihambe futhi you understand ngoba ukhona wena uma wayo nje so now nami mele ngibela inkosi yami ngilo ngitatamisa nami njengawe
amlethe ngapha
uzodlani manje umntwana phela futhi angingasebenzi ke phela ngize nami ngizoyigada ingane
make sure ukuthi ingane yazi ukuthi baba iyazi futhi ukuthi ngiyathembela kubaba iyazi ukuthi ubaba ukhona for mina every time
that's exactly how we grew up nathi we knew yabo nje mina ubaba akaza asho ukuthi ngiyakuthanda mfana wami but ngiyazi ukuthi wayengithanda hayi ngokusho ngezenzo hayi ngokungona hayi ngokungqoqosha hayi ngokungibrush ngezenzo I knew ukuthi icathulo zesikole mina ngelishone namhlanje ngayithulanga mangabe ingasekho that was ubaba that is how kuba ubaba yilokho leyo kugona nokuteta nani bafethu angisho ukuthini
uthi ukukhumbule nangila
ifoni
ngo11
angisho ukuthini isuke inama personal issues leyo iza siyisitha ingane ifuna ukukhuluma nawe
lapho 6 months
akazisho ingane
sizaba phela ukuthi
suke nizamela nina
kusuke kungaphelile
sizamela umntwana relationship kuyakha nobaba wakho
wena nje ubaba wakho ayibuya kanye in 3 months
wawumfonela
wawunenkinga waba nenkinga mawukhula
phela amafoni ayingasi
waba nenkinga yini ukhona inkinga onayo as umuntu osumdala nje manje ukuthi ubaba wakho ayibuya once in 3 months
ngangazi mawayesitshela ukuthi ubaba
exactly
baba wayesho mayehamba
ukuthi you actually agreeing with us manje
no but isikhathi lesi
isikhathi asishintshile
ingane ayishintshile ingane oma bengane abashintshile ushintshe oma bengane hayi ingane
into lengafi
awu phela ndo sikhule ngaba mfethu ukuthi hayi ukuthi usotetuswa ngengane besimbelambela ingane kuwe ibe isimbelambela kuwe ingane ke wena usuyodla ingane ke kuthiwe uyalala ungayifonela ingane khona abantu bafonela ingane zabo every day
yes egoli bayateta
egoli
ngithola umjiketete
angilali ingane zami ngayifonela asisho ukuthi ku wrong but I don't think leyo into ingane ifunayo kubaba wayo we missing the point there are other things ingane ifuna hayi ukufonelwa every day mina ngokufonela ingane zami nje angiyifoneli mina zamngane angiyifonela njalo ziyazi nazo nginokufonela ingane zami ukuthi ngiyakhuluma nayo ngizwe ukuthi sekuphelile into esoyikhuluma phela mangathiwa ngiyamfonela futhi kusasa lo ngizokhuluma naye akusuye phela umngane wami lona it's fine sixoxele namhlanje sesixoxenye futhi homework kusasa
ihomework ikhona nakusasa iphela
akusuye umngane wami lo ingane yami kusuyena umngane wami ayikho into engizoyixoxa naye every day honestly akusuyena umngane wami ngoba ngitshela mina ngeke ngikhulume nengane yami ngibuza ukuthi bekunjani esikoleni right safunda kahle kunjani njani grade phele ngoba naye akangithandi njengomngane wakhe mina ezami ingane kushemazi ngithanda nje ziyazi ukuthi angisumngane wazo ziyazi ukuthi ubaba lo unendlela efuna ngim-address ngayo ngendlela emele ngimthathe ngayo akakwazi ukuvela ngixoxele nje imbudane mina cha
ngishama
yabo ngizobashaya bancishelana amasi manje yake makuse umntwana akuse udunki but mase kuqala nje ukukhula ufune kwazi ukubona ukuthi ubaba akusumngani wami kahle ubaba lo ubaba engaya kuye mangifuna usizo lwento ethile lana hayi ukuthi ube ibhubesi enganeni zakho
that's wrong
mangabe isikhathi sokudlala nazo sikhona udlale nazo wenze all these things ozenzayo nazo but they must know ukuthi you are the father and wena njengobaba make sure ukuthi ziyazi ukuthi ubaba wazo mazi kufuna zikuthole
so indlela ke
every day uyafonela ingane every day mongafonanga uyabona ke ingane manje izothi
awuyithandi wena lengane kade ngakubona ukuthi awuyithandi awuyifoneli njena awuyinaki into yaziyo nje ukufaka imali kuphela
so you guys indlela yokuco-parenta ke ngalezi sikhathi
iyo lesikhuluma ngayo le
ilezi yakudala nje
iyo le ayikho futhi enye
le ukuthi sesohamba ke sihambisa ingane ebhisho nomyeni ushadile nami nginomakoti ngishadile kodwa ngenxa ukuthi siyabazali kumele sokwenza photo shoot nomntwana zonke lezi zinto
uyayenza
ayikho lento ke abantu bafuna siyenze manje mina ncashe mina bangqole impela mina
nanokuthi phela guys enye into ofuna ni understand umuntu wesifazane angasoba nengane naye like kuba nalokho ukuthi
ufela ngathi yak-owner
nihlangene nje futhi yabo senihlangene
it's okay it's fine
So-
but akangakhohlwa ukuthi ngiyindoda umama there should be a difference between mina nawe indlela esithanda ngayo ingane there should be a difference that's why kukhona umama khona nobaba because sinama role awu2 angafani kumele siwadlale kule ngane yeah so if wena ukuthi every night ingane uyayidlalisa
Kiss and goodbye.
you understand you can't expect me to do that because mina ngiyindoda yabo so manje nifuna sibe omama sonke nayi problem kufuneka sibe omama sonke futhi amadoda wazeko phela amadoda le masculinity le kumele ifundiswe lengane ayisekho mangabe sengumama nami exactly lo mfana lo ufuna azi mangabe ekhaleza kimi ethi ushaya abanye abafana mina ngibuyela nawe uyobashaya but uma wakhe can say something else
yes
Exactly.
akho zosothinta ingane yami
ukumfundisa ukuhlukahlukana ukuthi khona ukuthamba khona ukuqina it's very important ukuthi abe nakho kokubili iproblem isekutheni mayiseza kimi ethi ushaya abanye abafana nami ngiphume njengoma wakhe ngiyolwe estradini mayethi kimi ushaya umfana ngembuzo ungakanani athi sifunda naye eclassini ngithi wena ushaya abanye abafana bangangawe uthule hamba mayekushaya nawe kusasa umshaye nawe that's what I say as a father angisho ukuthi ngimfundisa ukuba violent ngimfundisa ukuthi empilweni uyayivikela when something comes to you uyayivikela well mayitshele wena kuma wakho ngayolwa it's your side because umama so mina as a father angeke mfana angazi mina kuthiwe ekhaya kuyoliwe esikoleni ngoba mina ngishaya abanye abafana ngangisho nokusho ekhaya ke mina that's the thing mangixabane nomfana nje wangishaya estradini ungishayile ngiyayibuyela ngiyingenele endlini ngiyayikhalela sengobona limangabe kunepibo muziki kuthiwe kwenzekeni ushaya ubathi kuya investigate ukuthi umfana umshayile ungakanani yabo mawuthi umfana omdala kunaye kuyaqala kuyangenelela ke njengobaba futhi nakhona ukuthi uyolwa naloya mfana uyolungisa isimo ngoba izingane lezi at the end of the day kodwa nje eshaya umfana abafunda naye eclassini umtshela nje ukuthi kusasa nje waphinda wakushaya ngempama umfumbe ngenqindi that's what you do as a father so umama can say something else umama can go and negotiate can go and do whatever mina I don't because ngimfundisa ukuthi akwazi ukuyimela nasezweni lela yakulona because uyakhula phela mangabe manje uzothi wena
Okay, let us end ngane nothi ke guys ufisa ukuthola lana ke indaba ze sonke isikhathi mangabe kukhulunywa ngendaba ukuthi umuntu akondli hlezi kukhona imali re manje angazi ngizwe nina niphumela obala ngendaba zokuthi umama ka contribute nikhuluma indaba ukuthi njengoba ulapho isingle mother siyazi ukuthi ama single mothers amaningi amanye awasebenzi but sohlezi kukhulunywa ngawe umuntu wesilisa uthi nawe uyayizamela sometimes awusebenzi why njalo kuzohlezi
yazi ukuthi yini singasho lutho because we know our role ukuthi
noma umntwana engahlala ekhaya
yeah asikwazi ukuthi
asibhekele utho
yazi baningi kanjani omama abanezingane esihlala nazo esingaze sikhuluma indaba imali yekhadi leyasasa yayizwa leyo why we understand our role ukuthi ithini esiprovider futhi ngeke usizwe sicomplain
kunaloko liselifuna o-aunt
yeah nabo sebephusha into zabo but thina nje samadoda because we understand yabo lento esho ibuyela back lento esisho we understand the role that we need to play we are not trying to be omama la we are not so ngobaba we provide asinandaba ukuthi wena uyasebenza noma usebenza that's why indoda ingekho indoda yake yaye kumfazi imiyekela ukuthi akasebenzi
true
that's the reason never
true
angakhona amanye akhona ngenze ukuthi awusebenzi bese bakhona ezinye izinto okona mhlawumbe iyivila then uyasala but ukuthi awusebenzi that's why uthola udokotela ethanana nosisi osebenza eShoprite isebenze bashade but vice versa it can never happen yabo
okay
so asikaze sikhale thina ngesikhalela ukuthi wena usebenza awondli kunjani ngeke because siyazi ukuthi ubani okumele ondle ithina that's our role that we need to play ngeke usizwe sicomplain athi yabo lento eniyicomplainelayo ngabe ukuthi ingane wena uyilalisa kunjani lezi zinto kumele zenziwe yini
so nifila kanjani mawukuthi uyayiphathela nje awunamali then kuzoloku kuthiwa hayi lo akwazi nokwenzani akondli into efana nalezo noma abantu kusukufanele kuthiwa abondli abantu abazwayo ukuthi banemali
angithi manje sekufanele kubhekwe nesimo ke sempilo yamanje ukuthi mawuthi angondli ngenzani
yes
because mawuthi angondli kusho ukuthi khona okunye engikwenzayo kusho ukuthi mangingondli mhlambe ngibhizi ngithenga imoto noma ngibhizi with life ngiyiphushela life cha wena mawuthi angondli bese ubheka mina angondli ngani yabo ngina which is not fair to you now umama mhlambe namthothi awusebenzi it's not fair kodwa at the end of the day
ngoba nawe awundi futhi
siyafana nje
ingane imali ilethwa uRamaphosa nawe awundi
siyayifanele nje
lengane nami ngiyazondlela
yona uRamaphosa
but angisebenzi nje
kufanele idle imali igqoke wena nje awenzi lutho
ngiyasebenza yini asiqala lapho ngiyasebenza
awusebenzi
okay
manje
how am I going to ngizoyenza njani ngiyafuna ukondla akazondla ngani mhlawumbe ngiyabheka amatoha waqhamuka that is another story but nje uma umjito uthola umjito right uyazi umjito uthi makufika ukhisimuzi ingane zakho kumele eqoke umjita nje right but mawuyithwele vele ke isikhotheni womjita
otnayithola imali acabanga ibhiya
yeah then it's your fault now because now you were there ngesikhathi khandwa ingane wavuma ukuthi khandwa ingane naye lo mfo so it's part of now you played the part don't just blame the guy ukhona now
yo ufuna ukukhuluma ngani manzini
cause FM new cause FM lu we didn't speak about this
no we didn't
kade sagcina nokhuluma
oh it's been a while cause FM ubani lo sisi
Sibonge
Ngcobo resigned as a station manager emva kwe controversy lemlandelayo so I don't know what do you guys think about to resign kwakhe does it make any difference does it mean anything what does it mean
asazi ngoba zinkulu indaba engaphakathi esingazazi because sazi nje lo ukuthi nazo kungangale microphone okuku social media kodwa ngeke nje uxoshelwe into encane nje yabona kudeep uzokhumbula last year ngazo lezi khathi nje sivamise ukumfikela nevunguvungu uma Ngcobo Nkosi yami uzokhumbula last year ngazo lezi khathi khona ngizothi i-questionnaire eyakuyaphuma ingathi intatheli thizini eyayikade embhalele imibuzo mayelana nokuthi she is dating omunye wabasakazi unesandla yes unesandla ekutheni ke na ukhuzane kuba uyena ohlukanisa onyaka she is also dating omunye umjita onenkampani okuyiyona ebalama vote lawo ekusuke abantu bevotela khona ingoma maningi nje lokhuzane izinto ezavela lapha kuleya
did she answer
no akaza phendula yes so lezi khathi nje sivamise ukumfikela nevunguvungu engibone ababesebenzela ukhozi ke futhi abaningi bekhombisa intokozo ngoba bekunamahlebezi futhi athi ke na uphethe ngesandla sensimbi lapha ukuthi kanjani ke asazi ngiyasekuqinisekise cause indaba nje ngishoyo ukuthi ke njoba ngisho ukuthi indaba nje izingangale mic encane nje esingazi ngempela ukujula kwazo enkampanini ngaphakathi ukuthi kwenzakalana but ngibona nje abantu abaningi bejabula laba besebenza khona ile mphakathi esingabiza ngokuthi amabhinqa bonke nje happy
people were happy
nje
ngibona abantu be-happy yaxoxa
akekho nje omzwelayo engisambonile mina uphumelo obala because inhlangano zabantu besifazane siyayibone ngenelele entweni efana nalezi mhlambe nenyonyana nani bathule nje akekho nje ongenelele kule ndaba people are happy.
Don't have unions there.
Mina ngicabanga awekho manje
union ku-media.
Ngicabanga futhi ukuthi embuzweni wakho ubuza ukuthi sibona mhlambe kuzoletha ushintsho yini makasibone. Angithembi kangako kanjalo. I-reason engisho ukuthi na before bekukhona umphathi wokhozi babe khona babengajabule ngaleso sikhathi kwaja abanye bajabula futhi mayesusu and mawucabanga kahle kwakuumuntu wesilisa ngaleso sikhathi
umpanza yes
uyazibuza ukuthi okay babejabula
hey there were a lot of people who were happy umpanza hamba
and kunama rumors athi Sibonge noMpanza bebe kanje uMpanza besaqhubeka erun ukhozi remotely through uSibonge kunama rumors asho njalo yes
so into yami isekutheni what if vele ipattern yabantu ama managers noma abantu abasuke befuna ikhundla banendlela nje nabo yokuphatha eyodwa yokuhlukumeza abantu yokungasikho ukuthi bazothuthukisa that establishment mangabe
kumele kubonakala ukuthi yimo phethe la khale sami
esicathulo no but what if ngibuke enye perspective la what if abantu abafuna ukuphathwa because they
nakho lokho kuyenzeka
because nalokho possible ukuthi abanye manje they just want to do as they want and mangabe uyi-manager and uthi wena no this will not happen in my watch then you become an enemy angisho ukuthi kunjalo but it happens it's possible khona abantu abafuna ukuzenzela kube kwampunze edlemini
and wangikhumbuza my
yo
my past
yabona abanye bafuna ukuzenzela nje kube kwampunze edlemini kuyenzeka lokho angisho ukuthi it's like that in this situation but you shouldn't just look at it esayidini eliyi-one ukuthi baningi abantu abangekho happy you understand but effect is kungenzeka futhi uthole ukuthi labo bantu abahappy yilabantu vele mhlawumbe bebengafuni ukwenza izinto ngendlela
and enye into futhi yabo mangabe into esengiyifundile in life mangabe uzoba uphatha abantu abamthanda umuntu onomthetho
true
abamthanda umuntu othi akwenziwe ngendlela yabo lo muntu nje ube enemy yabo mangizokutshela ukuthi ngena isikhathi sakho ungena ngo6 wenza ukuthi ushayisa ngo2 the fact ukuthi mina ngisho njalo akafuni ukuthi ngabe ngimtshela lokho ukuthi
mawungena ngo5:06 ngiyakubuza ukuthi yini akayifuni leyo nto leyo
umuntu engathi kuyena nebusiness noma neorganization asuke isebenzela i-relationship noma ukukhuluma naye kungaba ukuthi ngigcina kuyi-contract asayini i-contract ahambe batshela ukuthi ngiyasebenza kuphelele lapho ukuthi
njengamasipala
ukuthi kube khona oma-disciplinary hearing ubabona abantu belwa bebe wrong umuntu engafuni ukwenza umsebenzi kuthiwa qoqa udoti angawuqoqa udoti
kodwa uqashelwe wona
bese yavuka aye kuma-unions kuthiwa uyahlukunyezwa but umsebenzi wakhe akawenzi
that's the thing nami ngiyasho ukuthi angisho ukuthi kuyileyo situation but njengoba sikhuluma nangobaba uMpanza it was almost the same thing ukuthi bakhona abantu who were very happy ukuthi ehamba because of whatever that they wanted and it's happening now with this one it's still going to happen with the one ongenayo manje ecathulweni zakhe exactly yabona uma umphathi nje people will never be entirely happy about you
ungikhumbuza kushintsha nje ama-line up ngo-April khona ku-radio most ama guys resign kwigagasi ayekhala ngo-Ayanda Melanzi nangabe usuyalandela uyilokhuzana khona uyi-talent specialist khona like limo elijwayelekile nje sithi programs manager nangabe usulandela ukuthi yindaba lekukhalwa ngayo kangaka umuntu onomthetho abafuni lokho kabantu
abafunde
umuntu onomthetho ofuna kwenziwa izinto ngendlela nangesikhathi njalo
abayifuni ke leyo
so people were like
abantu just wana tafaza nje entweni and forget ukuthi phela la kusemsebenzini and wena njengomphathi we have a responsibility to make sure ukuthi yonke into la ihamba kahle you don't have as an employee
ubayeka kwenzeka noma ngabe yini umuntu ungena ngesikhathi
comes back to you futhi
angafiki emsebenzini uma engafikile emsebenzini fanele kwenzakaleni
comes back to you futhi
i-production ayisahambi akusangena imali abasaholi sekuyinkinga
zonke lezi zinto ezibalwayo nje wathi uyibala la izinto ebezenza ngempela ebezenza ngempela lenu wrong yena as a boss if ukuthi she dated staff she did all those things eshoyo nobudlelwane naba that's another thing engayitholi kahle ngayo leyo ukuthi engibuye ngimquestion ngayo usisi ne ukuthi I feel like sometimes ukangene ezintweni that I don't think she should involve herself in
yeah
fana nazo indaba zokumenyezelwa kwamagomezi onqamlunyaka you understand I don't think it as a station manager you should be so involved in those things because you have programs manager you have
music compiler
you have abasakazi you have everybody mhlambe ungaba involvement sahleni meeting as management ukuthi this is but for you ukuthi kube wena ohamba emoyeni azothi kuzokwenza kanje kanti where is programs manager there
involved enabeni zama partnership ama
you know all those things
marketing manager
so that's how mina ngimbheka ngayo mhlambe there was some of the things that they are saying they were true because you can njengoba ngisho ukuthi yini ekwenza ukuthi ube semoyeni ukhuluma indaba zengoma enqamlunyaka you are station manager and managing the whole operation yenzekalayo station khohle indaba zomculo into zomculo I feel like into zokugcina that you worry about when you are a station manager last things you have to make money here you have to keep this thing running
make like future
relationships and all these things why you worried about which song enqamlunyaka as a station manager
and bobabili programs manager bahambe ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe bakhala ngesimo esifanayo ngokusho kwamaphepha ukuthi oqhambukele emsebenzini wabo
that's the thing it looks that way it does looks like it's
someone because even noma ku April uyobeza ukuthi ke obeza on air
where is the programs manager because sizokhuluma ama programs ukuthi umsakazo uthile wenza kanje ngwahlele kanje maluku siyazi ukuthi bebese meeting bonke probably but umuntu who comes to us ilo ophathiswa inhlelo to say nazi inhlelo sihlele kanje as a station manager
usu approve wena njengo station manager phezulu
and managers enye into abahlule ukuyi understand guys ukuthi ibhlungu indaba ukuthi ungiqashe ukuthi ngizokwenza umsebenzi yethu siyithanda guys usufuna ukungenzela wona uthi angenzeni mina ngizobona ngazathi mina nje anginamsebenzi la
kushuthi ngihlobisile nje
ngikwazi ukukhula ngikwazi ukwenza lutho because ungenzela umsebenzi wami
but this shows ukuthi they ikhona problem kuma radio stations because lento le esikhuluma ngayo it's usually seen kuma community radio stations kakhulu
yes
there is a kunenkinga nje ukuthi akudelegateki you'll find ukuthi umuntu uyi station manager but how nangiyafuthi lapha it's normal kuma community radio station to the point ukuthi akusasithusi makwenzeka because kuma community radio station but if it happen radio nenkulu njengale honestly it says a lot about nje i-radio industry as a whole it says a lot about that kusho ukuthi sinenkinga nje ekhona ku management when it comes to i-radio singaze phela ngesifaka ezinye iteshi we've never heard kwezinye iteshi but kunenkinga khona yokuthi khona lento yokuthi khona abantu abafuna ukwenza yonke into
ngoba kubekwe mina nje kumele khale sami sicathulo
ngiyayiblame
bafuna ukuba famous
yes because mangabe u-station manager and you're behind awubonakali people are buzz
and the fact ukuthi abantu bayamazi you know they know her like
akekho umuntu ongamazi akekho
umuntu ongamazi umuntu oyi-station manager umuntu ujozwa nje kuthiwa hayi u-station manager phela walapho ubani
uzucingwa kusendaweni i-station
exactly laba manje
mina nje I blame i-fame because bafuna ukuthi bebe famous bazi ukuthi imina ophethe mina
yeah true
if akusileyo nto leyo ama-CEOs amabani asiwazi
Yeah, mazi nje CEO yase-Absa nje. Uyazi.
And there's no need for this man.
Noma sesibheka lapha ama-article esebhala ukuthi actually umsuthu uyi-CEO of what ilapho esizofunda ngakhona asimazi sibuzwa noma introduce bese sithi how uye lo uyabona ukujabulele lokho now laba abafuna ukuthi sibafice marketing sibafice kuphi bala
uyakhumbula nje before uhlawuli Motsweni ngabe yiCEO ka SABC ubani wayeCEO ka
Asimazi.
we don't know and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes, asimazi.
Afika ke inkabi siyasonke fame.
Oh, nathi shada fame because even nakuma-event ubona bona phambili uthi hawu ngoba lento kumele ngabe khona iy'ntatheli noma
uyaphi nje because makuthiwa kunyuswa ivolume uyaphi.
everything is right for your staff ukuthi
That's it. You don't even need to be there. Noma uyileke kodwa
hlala la
khona
yes
with people abakwi level yakho.
noma usukuhamba ne-staff sakho i-staff sakho asibe naloko ukuthi wena uhamba indawo engcono kunalezi ehanjwa yibo
yes
i-staff sakho akube na that space ukuthi fanele bakunike ama-reports ukuthi hey yazi indawo ezikanje siyayisifica ukuthi nokuthi not ukuthi ufuna uku-experience wena udaka ney'ngane zakho
That's wrong.
iloko esibhekene nakho-ke but speaking of it nje uKhuzani ikhiphile i-album and most people bathi uKhuzani uxosha uSibongo yazi cousins aboshwa
But unesandla. Noma engenaso isandla mhlawumbe direct mhlawumbe uhambile wayona. You are live nje said a lot of things.
live ongajwayelekile
You are live just said a lot of things.
you
And the following day this happens. So
okay ukhiphile ke album yakhe Friday ngabo 2 ntambama sayilalela ke siNingizimu Afrika kwanje ya so nilalelile what do you think from uKhuzani ondlule kuloKhuzani wamanje
okay you can comment.
mina ngokuyilalela ngilalele yonke usema ngoba bese sephume nomyalelo sephume nomyalelo ngingathini angizange ngizwe ingoma uKhuzani engimaziyo before bekuKhuzani owenza show ukuthi ujabulisa abantu besifazane ya kuzoba khona ingoma nje azoyiculela ukuze abantu besifazane bayiculela abantu babo yabo this time around ngibona ngathi uculile like nje uculile nje ingoma iculela wonke umuntu ongarelate ethi umuntu wesifazane
noma wesilisa true
khona ke lapho nalapho ke lapho benza khona into zabo ke zokuthi bekwebhani but angibonanga ibad kakhulu iyalaleleka
ngicishe ngivumelane nawe nami ukuthi hayi kule game ngibona ngathi uculile uBafu ilo yaKhuzani wale ngoma le khona ingoma yakhe ayidumile ethi ke na uphahluke sedakiwe ukuthi ke na wabulala ubaba into efana nalezo ngibuyelwe yiloyo Khuzani loyo zikhona nje nengoma ethanda kakhulu imbongolo ezinye izengoma ezitrendayo kuzoba le ubaba I mean uma umntana wakho mangabe sengiganile usekuma umntanami
maskani like lengoma uSuzahi
awusahlangene lapho bese kuzoba yenye yesonto futhi ethandwa kakhulu ethi Emzimeni nami ke yenye my favorite track nje to the whole album engiyithandile but ngicabanga ngakwelinye iside ke ngokwe marketing yes uKhuzani yayishaya marketing kakhulu futhi hayi kancane but I guess ngizosebenzisa igama lethi ukublutikwa umthandeni for the past 2 or 3 years ngicanga ukuthi kuyamehlisa kancane because uyazama yena ukumchukuluza umthandeni avela athulele nje acula ingoma nje qhubeke nempilo ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho kuyazama ukumehlisa kancane yize yena eculile like good music but ngiyacabanga ukuthi nje ukumblutika kwakhe njengoba besazi ukuthi uyimbangi yakhe kunomthelela nje kuthini nje abantu bathi oh okay uKhuzani ukhiphile it's fine awusekho le track 9 osukujahwe kakhulu because nakulo track 9 uzamile ukuveza ukuthi yena unama award awu22 lo umunye une award eyodwa lo munye uthulele nje ushayela ingoma noma who no bani qhubeka nje impilo ke phambili so nje ngizwe ngale ndlela mina
I think it's a good album. It's a very good album. But I think into ezoshaya ukhuzani leyo ukuthi anga accept ukuthi uyakhula. You understand? Well, this time I also feel like this time uculi like it didn't sound like uculi. You know, it doesn't sing like for TikTok or whatever.
Yes.
Like we went all out waculi. But he must understand ukuthi uyakhula. He is no longer ukhuzani ngo 2015. Use ubaba manje. Even izinto that you sing about.
Mele ayibuke ngamanye
Exactly. They are kunama social issues that are very serious that you wanna talk about. Njoba sikhuluma indaba kubulawa kwengane nje. There are things that you can actually make music about zibe ne impact enkulu emphakathini. By the way, ubaphuza Chemist nayo keep it album. I-album ithi ipolitiki. I-title nje yakho tells you ukuthi lo muntu omdala sikhuluma ngezinto zabantu who are grown up.
And ngizwe ingoma yakho ngathi ngatshela ukuthi ingoma endala kodwa cha yintsha album entsha ngathi wow.
Angeke blow up because of the topics akhuluma ngawo. So ile into ebulala abaculi bamanje they don't accept ukuthi we are actually growing. Uzukhumbule nje oThokozani Ndanga they still wanted to sing like hey but usumdala usubaba. Understand?
Bemulisa amadodakazi akhe.
Yeah, usumdala usubaba they are more important things that you can that you can sing about. Yabona nje basikhuluma ngendaba akekho nje umculo amasikano lokhuluma onengoma ekhuluma ngalento esikhuluma ngayo kufa kwengane iphasa. And it's very important issue. And usumdala you no longer going to pop the way obupopha ngakhona. It's fine, you have a fan base ekulandelayo, it's okay. So ilending ngisho yena kumele accept ukuthi hayi ngimdala manje. Leyo ukuthi umjolo ngangijola nobani ex yami bakhona umenzi no ntencane no bani they can still do that. Isikhathi sabo siyavuma to do that. Senibadala no baba manje. Ake nikhuluma izinto nje nicule ngezinto that will make an impact, that will make yabona nje okay first semenyi babecula ngezinto that were affecting them at that time. Ziningi izinto eziaffectayo manje. Yabona ngikhuluma indaba ephaza nje nani. It's something that worries us abantu ba South Africa. You think if someone umuntu onjengoKhuzani could make a song about that, a very nice song, that song will blow up. Hayi ngalendlela abafuna iblow up ngakhona, but it will blow up ngendlela ukuthi this message talks to us.
Enye into amaciko kanje artists afana naboKhuzani fanele ba understand influence abanayo.
Exactly.
So as much as sicabanga ukuthi ube ne influence ukuhamba kaSibongi, kufanele bane influence even kuma politicians entweni abazithatha ama decisions ukuthi kunabantu ababukayo bayayibona nento bayibona kanje.
When are we hearing music okhuluma ngesimo sepolitiki esinaso njengamanje South Africa? When are we hearing that? Sizwa nini leyo nto le? Sizwa nini abantu abazokhuluma ngeenkinga esinazo right now? Enkulu ayimjolo bafethu.
Bayiyekela social media.
Zikhona ingayintwana esakhulu. Bakhona obalance ba right basebancane.
Lemjolo le vele abasahlanyisa yona.
Awukwazi ukuba ubaba nomuzo omkhulu usebhizi uthi umjolo wami nomjolo kaSibani
khona usazoba imbongo lo. Uqoqozela abantu ukuthi bahlukane.
Nibadala guys. That's the problem ngathi asifuna ukukhula and accept ukuthi how old. Njoba ngikhuluma ngenze example nge-album babaphuza Chemist. Bengilalela izolo. If you listen to that album, uyazi ukuthi ucula into omdala la. Owabona ama social ills, obukayo ukuthi na izinto ezenzakalayo emhlabeni and lezi zinto ziyam affect ingane zakhe, affect everyone. So ubaphuza Chemist unengoma ekhiphile le udla yedwa ethi angithelele injamo.
Oh yes.
That was a problem abebhekene nayo at that time. Yabo uculwa ngezinto
irrelevant.
Ucathi bomfiliseni Magubane baphi because babe lo besitshela ngentombi. But bawobaba
lapho ganiwe ushela ingane isikole sokwenzani leso.
You know but ukaniwe ubaba unengane.
I get that.
Lapho kunengane ibulawa ilokhuze sipha
ama snacks
wena nje awusho lutho ngalokho but you are an artist. So siyazi ukuthi vele abantu abaningi will wanna listen to that.
Yes.
But usumculi man awusaswele lutho. It's not like usukhiphela ukuba nemali. You already have money. Khuzani can't tell me to Khuzani basafuna imali
babhukwa ngisho bena 3 years bagcina ukukhipha bayabhukwa.
Usene hit futhi ayenza ngo2019
ayijele namanje nje ngisanyakazisa abantu uyabona.
Yayizwa leyo nto leyo. So why are you still worried about umjolo yabantu? Why are you talking about ama ex nani?
khona usazoba
Why? Imnandi album, but for umuntu omdala,
uculile
for umuntu omdala, I feel like he could have done better. Umdala.
uthi akusesoma wengane yakho
sekumfazi wami
ingane yakho uzoyithola lapha eshiye
It's a nice album. Ama standard amanje. It's a very nice. Futhi ngiyayithanda lento nje obuyishoot azange aculela amantombazane like azikho lezi ngoma lezi nami
benginiza abantu besilisa
ezingicasulayo. Ziyacasula nje mina lezi ngoma.
kambe bethi la last year
Ngiyacasula lezo zinto lezo. Lezi zinto lezi zinto ezabayiculayo lezi ukuthi indoda engenamali ngizoyenza yabo lezi zinto nje that they are singing. I'm like these guys are not aware ukuthi what is happening. But uculileke this time.
hayi kona this time ungikhumbuzele yakhuzana omdala shema lona la yes
But I feel like kumele recognize ukuthi ungakanani. As no longer a kid, usemdala esakathathi, but at the end of the day usekhulile. Usewumuntu omdala sekumele abheke izinto lezinto nje abayikhuluma ku social media. Lezinto abayikhuluma ku social media they should be different. I don't think kumele ngabe manje basa banga indaba ukuthi ubani nama 1 million views. Bobabili nje benomthandile. They've passed that. They've passed that.
bathi abenze njani vele labo basakhula
You know,
abathi bengena kule industry
you know,
anisingile sivela athi boom uye kufanele sajabulele
yeah, and labantu don't understand they self destruct bayibulala bona in this way. Yabona nje bosikhuluma namanje uHashel Mhlophe usabizwa operforma kumasana.
true yes
I would ngoba yini ingoba uHashel Mhlophe accepted ukuthi ngimdala manje I cannot be competing no Khuzani. uHashel Mhlophe didn't compete no Mgqumeni no bani. I was like no imdala bafana bami mina. I'm just gonna do this ngendlela yami. Address ama issues engwabona ngendlela yami. Nina ilwani because ngifuna ukulu kodwa namanje makuthiwa kunamasama makuthiwa kunemicimbi emkhulu uzombona uHashel Mhlophe khona perform. Exactly, that's what we need. Understand ukuthi unganani. Understand. You can't be out here utshele ngemi.
kodwa phela abantu bathi thina sifuna yiyo yona lento
It does a trend.
Umenzi uzoyenza leyo etrendayo. Balance uzoyenza lento etrendayo. Ubani omunye, bani laba abanye?
Untencane oqhosha yabona
Oqhosha they are a bit old now.
usekhulile na
Yeah. Bakhona abafana abancane who can actually do that. So asibayeke nabafana benze leyo nto thina senze into zabantu abadala. There's nothing wrong with that. Njengoba ngenza le example abaphuza chemist. Uzowathola futhi ama bookings. Akasadingi kulokhu ecule lokhu uya trend. No, yaziwa nje ubaphuza chemist ukhona usacula. Afika ishaya futhi leyo ngoma sonke sivu. So uyayibona leyo. Aba accept ukuthi sesibadala.
noma mhlambe enye into futhi esuke ibahlala emahlombe labantu ababalandelayo if you speak over phuzo khwimisa ukazi uzothiwa khona ama yellow nation manje bona fanele let's keep at the same time
Manje mana ama Blue Nation ona wakhulini because ngineshow ukuthi ama Blue Nation awasenga ngoba yengako ngo2010 you understand akhulini nawo ama Blue Nation alinde. That's why amanye ubezwe sebethi ayikodwa Khuzani lama piano suwasha bona ama Blue Nation because bayazi ukuthi man there is
athi
no
ayiqhawe lami kodwa ngathi usubhindile ke
there's no
manje
growth in this thing. Abanye abantu abalahla leyo nto ushini umuntu ekhala they were like this kwindaba yama social ills and everything they were singing about them and that what make them famous.
ulo wabo futhi
Yeah, bathe besuka ke nawo babe ngena lezi zinto ke ezenziwa
ukutrenda
manje
nawo.
nokutrenda
kwanenkinga
kwaqala abaningi. Yabona nje ushini umuntu ekhala uyena umuntu besimazi uthi hawu nangu ushini umuntu ekhala enza ingoma the hip hop artist.
Yes.
That's what you do mangabuso. Yabona umthandeni umshanga lokho nje uKhuzani.
yes
Ukuthi uya understand ukuthi okay now honestly angeke ngilokho ngigijimisana labafana abancane mina ake ngenze kanje une strategy yenza I feel like umshanga lo. So ilezo zinto kumele uzenze. Why ngabika ingoma kaKhuzani nje yenze noSjava?
yabona
Ingoma kaKhuzana yenze noThandiswa Amazwayo.
Uyabona.
That is growth. That is something that is saying amkhuli uyahamba uyokwenza ingoma nale yakwaya ukhuluma ngobhontshisi hayi bafethu hayi. Hayi.
guys yazi mina le ngoma lana yitsho ukuthi into kuyadlala
laba ngisabona ubhontshisi ngangitshela ukuthi into etrendayo nje njalo
Usuphumile we-comfort zone yakho wathola ikwaya.
athola ubhontshisi
Ngizocula ngobhontshisi futhi. Hayi bafethu hayi.
Oh guys, isikhathi asekho but ngicabanga ukuthi singabe senza iphutha lesingayikhulumi le ndaba yama-miners la ase-Northwest ne lavaleleke ngaphansi komhlaba ngenxa ukuthi ke ama-illegal miners angene lapha ngaphansi komhlaba bethi bayozamela impilo nabo uphefumuleleke lapha umengameli wakuleli not umengameli bakithi osebenze ehovisini lami ke ungqongqoshe isibongo sakho Nchabeni ethi ke na cha alukho usiza bazolithumela lapha ya ukuyosiza laba bantu labayana so izakhamuzi ke kwayizona ke ezisukumela phezulu le ndaba namanje nje kuthiwa zisayina ama forms ukuthi whatever eyenzakalayo lapha ya uhulumeni namaphoyisa bazobe ngangene you can go and help laba bantu obhuti benu nosisi benu but uhulumeni uzobe ngangene so nje kunaleso simo lesibhekene naso eNingizimu Afrika as we speak.
Yazi ukuthi enye into ade ngiyitshela wona bengiyitshela ukuthi ngisezwe ukuthi khona abantu abangaphansi komhlaba so ukuthi abantu abangenile abasebenza khona bavaleleka not knowing ukuthi abantu abahamba bayogubhela nje bona bahleli lapha ngaphansi
and nalento abavalekile let's call it
nabavalelekanga just
kuba
trapped
abekho trapped
bela ngaphansi
ibona bangafuna ukuphuma because bazi mabephuma
bayaboshwa
so there's a difference there abekho trapped abavalelekile bahleli ngaphakathi ngoba bayazi ukuthi amaphoyisa balindile ngaphezulu so abafuni
that is why bekumukela nokudla uqhaka phezulu
exactly
mawukwazi ukumukela ukudla uphungani
so abekho trapped bayazi uma bephuma bazoboshwa so uNtshabeni ubethi abancishe benganikezwe ukudla bakhishwe kabuhlungu so I don't know man
isimo sesibhekene naso ke seNingizimu Afrika leso
so abantu they are giving them food
yes bayabasiza ngathi khona usisi nje obekhale endabeni ngeweekend ethi ke nakhona usisi wakhe o pregnant and umuntu ompregnantisile omunye walabantu abalapha yana so nje une stress zonke lezo zinto lezo
manje ababatsheni ngani ukuthi abaphuma ukuze kuzophela istress
phela ngini manje abaphuma babhekane nengalo yomthetho kuba phela bayazi ukubakhulu umthetho manje sekufuna esihlupheke sonke lokho kuthiwa ke khulunywa ke manje
enye into bese sengisho ngithi mina manje laba abafuna sibafilele ukuthi bangaphathi bafuna kuthiweni isizwe asidwe ekutheni abakhishwe bededelwe beje
namangazi understand ukuthi abafuna siyenze sisisho thina
and some of them abasibona bala eSouth Africa some of them
most of them
yes abanye babo futhi babesebenza kuzo lezi mayini then naseziyeke kanjalo so they know ukuthi
no abaphume
icala labalenza
bayazi ukuthi wrong into abenza abaphume babhekane lokhu zayo
ubucwebe bethu nendlela errong kurwrong abaphume
manje bona bazohlala lapha forever manje
kusho ukuthi bafuna ukuthi behlale lapha yana bastarve bashona bese
kublame ugovernment
ukuthini wenzeni ugovernment
ayithi yikho kona lokho
because ugovernment yenza ngalutho amaphoyisa nje amile abalindile uma bephuma babonke so yinike wrong lapho
ilento obuyisho ukuthi kuzosukuma Human Rights Commission blah blah blah
but sesifikile ku Human Rights Commission yini wrong thina sifike zama nje duze kumgodi
thina sikade umuntu
thina sikade nje umgodi so bona if they decide not to come out and die so whose fault is that it's not like balele lapha bavalele cha bayazi ukuthi kuphunywa kanjani abaphuma boshwe
and let me afana ukuthi ungena isitolo uyo shoplift
exactly
bese kuma security emnyango
mawuphuma bese liyakubamba manje kufuneka kuthiwe ku break umthetho lapho wena mawudecide ukuyibulala lapha esitolo sekuyifault yani ye-security
ngisho ngathi no yazi ngazathi thina sangazi abantu base South Africa sebecabanga kanjani noma sebespoon feedwe bacatshangelwa baprotectwa kakhulu ekutheni bazokwenza amacala bese befuna ukuthi amacala bawabhekise khulu
so kubona ngoku abafuna enze amaphoyisa asuke lapha
bese bayaphuma babaleke
kulungile phela abaphumeke
asivaleni ngeepisode ngeSaturday uGano semncane
there's a big story there uNdlozi guys uNdlozi ngathi kuthiwa uzovinjelwa ukuthi engayi the conference ye-EFF
people Stonton bayibiza ngani
namanje guys ngisacabanga ukuthi uNdlozi uhlakani bakhe abusebenzisayo la ukuthi ufuna ukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani noma
the thing is these things there's ukuvinjwa wakhe akusama speculations, there is nothing official. It's just people abasupport uNdlozi because but he missed eminye imihlangano ewu2 important bekumele ibe khona ye-EFF, it didn't come, so they assume ukuthi is actually banned ukuthi attende izinto ze-EFF. They assume uNdlozi akazasho ne-EFF ayikazisho. You understand? So they just assuming ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi abhene to come.
Nanokukhumbula itweet ka CIC ayibhala kuhamba uDalimpofu wabhala ukuthi sekusele ama members awu2, ama senior members awu2, mhlambe naloko kunganomthelelo ukuthi ke asazohamba inhliziyo zawo ezingasekho kwi-FF but asasele alinde iconference abona ukuthi kwenzakalani after iconference ayahamba, mhlambe naloko kunganomthelelo ekutheni abantu bacabanga ukuthi kushuthi usho uNdlozi. Nobani
ngiyakuzwa lokho. Ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngale manje. These are allegations. These are abantu abasolayo ukuthi ngenzeka and bakhuluma ngama sources ke nani. But ayikho into official eshoyo ukuthi uNdlozi ubheniwe. There is nothing that says that. So into ekhuluma nje abantu because they feel like uNdlozi ingathi uhosha imfi, no longer attending all these things and all these things. So abazi noma uNdlozi ukwenza lokho voluntarily noma ingoba kuthiwe ungisi. Naye akasho lutho.
Nanokuthi speaking ukuthi usemise like
ama meetings la, yes.
Kuma organization leyo nto i-account
ukuthi umisa ama meeting amangaki.
Kangakanani. Bakusho ukuthi ba worried mawuzomisa 2-3 ngenze ukuthi elandelayo ebalekile yona eseyokwenza automatically ukuthi
angabe
qualify.
So it's just people who are actually worried about that, especially abantu abasupporta uNdlozi abafuna ukuthi abe u-deputy president. Siyazi ukuthi uMalema ufuna uGodrich Kati kube uyena ozoba uLokhuzana, and it's just that
futhi mhlawumbe nako konke lokho ukuthi uMalema yena akaphakamisi lo ekutheni ebe u-deputy president.
And I think uyazi uMalema ukuthi uGodrich don't stand a chance with uNdlozi, and if ngempela nayo ipower ukuthi amstop to go to conference, he can do that because uyazi, you all know nombani uyazi ukuthi ngeke ku-conference kufike kuwini uGodrich. I don't think so.
Khona uNdlozi.
No, never. So kupossible ukuthi ngenze ukuthi iqiniso. It's possible ukuthi akusiqiniso futhi. It's possible futhi ukuthi mhlawumbe uNdlozi wenza ngamabombs like I just don't want to go there. I don't want to be part of it. Because akazazi asho ukuthi interested ekubeni deputy president abantu nje abakhulumayo.
uNdlozi wathi lokho samazu abasena uNdlozi abathi nje asho something
abantu nje abakhulumayo.
Noma ethi like engasaphelile sentence like nje kancane nje athi ukulunguza ngoba nje uthule ndushiya nje sikuduza singazi nathi ukuthi
so abantu nje abakhuluma leyo nto asazi noma is true or is not true.
Asiyozwakala ubonakala.
And about the last episode, which one?
The ka dadewethu lo wakane na 15.
Oh, okay, that girl. Yeah.
Number 1 indlela akana ngayi wrong.
Okugana abantu bengabathanda.
Hey, nokugana umuntu
especially umsuzu uhlezi asho ukuthi uthanda lisho lutho.
Yeah, if the arrangement is good. Yeah, if the arrangement is not this situation, this was not a good arrangement. If the arrangement is good, then why not?
Yo.
Uthando you can usually build it along the way. If the arrangement is good.
Kodwa enye into engiyibukayo ngaye masusubuka istory sakhe ukuthi ngoba abanye abantu abafuna ukuvuma ukuthi kahle kahle ulimele wena lento ikubulele kakhulu hayi kancane ibulala yena emqondweni ibulala yena nje empilweni nanokubheka ilona impilo ukuthi hamba kanjani lo muntu akasafundanga ama chances like opportunities amisa ngalendlela yokuthi iziningi izinto engabe ziyenzeke empilweni yakhe kube i-change okungenzeki ngoba yena washeshe wenza kanje engqondweni wayemncane ingqondo yakhe yayingakhulile ukuthi engakwazi ukuthabela.
That's why I blame parents in these things because see uma una 15 man it's not like you can make decisions yourself. abazali in both sides because nami ngubaba angeke ngize ngivume ukuthi ulani ngane abantu encane ize la why yini wrong guys ngokunijolele nje isikhathi
leyo nto iphindela back ekutheni kuyi society yethu yes abazali i-community guys mangabe ukhula uba neminyaka emingaka sekunoma expectations mabebheka ukuthi wena bayagana kungena inkomo laphayana kuzoba naleyo pressure ukuthi nawe kuzofanele ukuthi ugane yabo zonke lezo zinto lezi abazali bethu abanomalize izinto ezingekho right because emqondweni nami kunalokho uzophatheka kabi ukuthi obani bayagana and awugani wena sekuzobe ngazathi wena mhlambe even emphakathini bebukeke ngazathi kukhona into wrong ngawe noma kwenzakalana nabo abanye calling you names ngokuthi awuzenzi lezi zinto abazenza ziningi izinto abakhulisa ngayo abantu abamantombazane so ubone ngazathi nawe nje awusesiphathi yeah community
and the truth is kunormal nje endaweni esihlala kuzo thina endaweni zasemakhaya kunormalizwe ngalendlela eyisimangaliso kodwa iqiniso lithi ku wrong
and bayaqhuquzela ukuthi abantwana bakwenze lokho ubona injabulo ekhona kubazali babo ujabula kanjani ingane yakhe na 15 isiye emzini abantu abantu uthola ukuthi kuzoganiswa ingane na 15 like hayo uyajabula umzali uthi uzosikhusela knowing ukuthi awuzukuzikhulisela engane awuzukufuna ukuthi ayidlale oshumbula uphekele
uzoyixosha la endlini uthi yopheka yodwa lapha
ufuna ukuthi izoba umakoti la ibe umuntu umntana izokwenza kanjani
ezinye izinto nje ayikhula kahle
so nje
ezinye izinto ayikholakala hayi
especially zena esekwazi ukuthi akhulume ngakho ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe
step sokuqala
usayakwazi ukukhuluma ngayo and kodwa nje kuningi
it's messed up man jobusho nje ifuture nje it doesn't look good because of that it's very hard awusafundanga isikele and nasenqodweni yakho nje because what I noticed ukuthi usisi usakubona kuimportant ukuthi abe nendoda
yes
angisho ukuthi akubo important but usakubona ngathi into important ukuthi abe nendoda yakhe yabo like ngaphandle kwendoda like
ayikho
yeah that's not
and ezinye zezinto lezi ezishaya abantu basemakhaya ukuthi kufanele ukuthi ube nomuntu umuntu osifazana ngeke uphumelele nje umuntu osifazane kungekho ukuthi wena umkhwenyana wakhe umkhwenyana wakhe umenzele ukuthi usemthengele ukuthi kunini wena
noma uzwe nje usizethi manje bathengela iphinifa mina ngithengele iphinifa you know simple things nje izinto iphinifa malini guys you can also buy
kunini lapho uzothola feel good ngokuthi umuntu osifazane something
like manje ngithengele iphinifa go and buy yourself iphinifa why do you feel like it's important like you can't even buy yourself iphinifa you think that's normal. That's not normal. It's not normal. And ingqondo is messed up to the point where uyakubona lokho ukuthi it's important. It's not. Mele nje mawumuntu wazi uyithengela iphinifa. It's not the responsibility endoda ukuthi kuthengela iphinifa, but you must be able to buy yourself iphinifa. Ukuthi ngiqoke izinto ezinjani because anginayo it's messed up.
Indlela nje sikhuliswe ngayo.
Yeah, it's messed up. I'm glad ngikhulela khona.
That's a see, Bobo.
I'm glad.
I am a living testimony. Yeah, nje kuya nalo ukuthi wena ke ingane yini. Yabo nje le eyokuthi ingane ikakhulukazi izinto zivezwa emadolobheni noma lezi indawo ezingamasemi wathwathi kungayiwe ekhaya. Like ingane zasemakhaya guys ziyafuna ukubona lempilo lephilwa abantu asebephumelele. Ziyihalele. Angimusu ukuhalele ukulotsholwa kabani ngo9 cows. Angihalele ukuhamba kabani ngeLand Rover kabani like angihalele lezo mpilo lezo manje bona bazi ukuthi nje usu made it in life mabo
ngabona uke walotsholo
yes usha umkhwenyana nezaphelele yabo lezo zinto zibona ezibajabulisa
umkhwenyana naye akakunaki uyidayisela insangu le
akafaki imali
akufonela ngoba sekuthuza uhambe
Asa very guys Kulungile bakithi siyabonga kakhulu. Don't forget to ukulike, usubscribe. Yasilukhuliseni bakithi i-show ibe nkulu kakhulu. Nokujoyina lapha na ke i-membership ujoyine nje sikuthembisile ama-exclusive content nama members. So siyacela kakhulu. uNkulunkulu anibusiseke nibe neviki elihle. Kuthiwe kuyashisa ke this week niphuza amanzi nibe right sharp.